Oh my goodness, I was going to say good morning, but look, Steve Danger was actually first. Incredible, Steve Danger. Good job there. Nick F in the chat as well. Saif, Yanni, Chetty Trader, Cassie, Kai Kai, and DD214. What is going on, everybody? Good morning. Hopefully everybody is not too scared by the pre-market activity that we got going on here. Because, yes, AMC is down a little bit, but look, there's a nice open. Look what they're doing right now. Buying the dip. They're buying the sale. We've got some nice, strong volume coming in. And, wow. Look at the volume in the first minute of the day. 8 million shares traded in the first minute of the day. Somebody is buying AMC. And, yes, they are not letting up, guys. 8 million shares traded in the very first minute of the day. We've got a nice green candle to start it out with. So, hopefully, people realize that this is a dip. People realize that it is support, and we don't break through it. But instead, we bounce off of it and go up. Mad Medic, what's going on, man? Where's Clay playing with assorted nuts? No, dude, I am here. Where are you at? And as the choice is yours, but no one here is selling, only buying, ready to sell. AMC today only drops and drops 4 days in a row. Yanni, dude. Yanni, 4 days is not a long time, man. 4 days is not a very long dip. It might seem like a long time for a day trader or maybe a swing trader, but 4 days is not a very long time. And, you know, I understand if you want to sell. Oh, Little Tail. Little Tail's here. What's up, bud? I should get the Chipmunk cam set up. He doesn't take the seat. He just sits there and eats them. This is the first time he's been in the house in like 2 or 3 weeks since his tail got bit off. What's up, buddy? You hungry? Nice, dude. I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy that this dude is in here. Toby, what's going on, Toby? Shrudy, oh my goodness, Clay, look at you. Shrudy, look at you. Good morning, Marquise, Trace, Miller. You cat or something? No, dude, you don't know Little Tail? I can't believe you don't know Little Tail. Nice, Miguel. Is your brother one that got in at the very, very open this morning, adding to that 8 million volume that we just saw? Oh, well, look at that. Little hair. And there you go. What do you guys think? I know today's going to be a long day with a lot of haters because AMC is getting ripped. Should we set the Chipmunk? It's like what do you call those dogs that help people with anxiety or emotional distress, like a distress dog or something? Emotional support dog. Should we get the emotional support Chipmunk cam up today? Ape's eating on the cheap today. Buy that tasty dip. Steven, oh yeah, dude. Did you see it, man? I'll zoom in a little bit for you. But did you guys see it this morning? 8 million shares traded in the first minute of the day. We're already up to 11 million shares. People are buying the dip. Chipmunk, they're saying Chipmunk cam, we might get it. 4 days of only red is kind of much, especially when it's big numbers as well. I mean, 20 plus in 1 week is not very good. No, dude, I would agree. 20 plus in 1 week is never good, but we know that this is a technical trade. It's a very speculative trade. It is risky. And, yeah, dude, but, you know, you're looking at 20% down in 1 week, going from 60 to 40, but, dude, you also have to keep in mind that we were trading at $5 like 2 months ago, so you can't forget that part of it, even though it looks, and I don't know when you got in either. You might have gotten in at 60 or something, so that might be why you view it a little bit different than I do. Hey, Clay, please draw the line. Chatty, I got you, man. I got you. We're going to see a nice... See, this is the support line right here. We drew this support line yesterday. I did not draw this morning, and it seems to be working out very nicely. So, let's get ourselves a trend line going this morning. And, yeah, that's what we're going to be working with. We're going to ride that bad boy all the way to the moon, hopefully. Good morning, Clay. I hope we're going to have a great day. Hopefully we can get to 50, 60 a share today. 50, 60 a share in the night. You're a little bit better. I'll even settle for a call. I even settle for 85. Joseph. I don't know. I can settle for 85, maybe. All right. Well, dude, yeah, I hope we do hit it, but I don't know if we're gonna hit 50, 60 today. But we can be hopeful, can't we? Keep in mind the entire market is down a ton today. Yeah, I was looking at the Dow futures this morning, and it said it was down like 500 points or something. I don't know what the Dow's. What is the Dow down right now? I know it's probably getting ripped. The entire market was down today. I mean, big time too. Like everything in my portfolio was just looked like it had just got home from war. Convinced my friend who's never bought a single stock ever to buy some AMC on a discount. Juiced, very nice. Listen, I gotta make sure because the little guy he doesn't really know the rules. I gotta make sure that he's got some seeds over there because I don't need him roaming the house. So just give me 2 seconds. I gotta make sure this little dude knows what he's doing. All right, cool. Was not expecting him to show up this morning, but who's the little guy? Dude, Little Tail, man. I can't believe you don't know Little Tail. I'm gonna get that. I have to get that thing set back up. I'll get the camera set back up if he comes back in. If you have a chipmunk pet? No, he's not. I mean, he's like. Chipmunks live outside, but they come inside the house. Clay, I'm 14, so I don't know too much about capital, so I don't have much capital. And every time AMC hits 60, I think to myself, I should sell. But then my ape gets in my head and tells me it will hit 1K, and then it dips. Chatty Trader too. I don't know if you're actually 14 or not, man. And I would assume that you don't have too much capital if you are 14. But dude, listen, you do you, man. You do you. Okay. If you think that 60 is good and you think that's the squeeze, fine. But here's the deal. You're going to know the squeeze when the short shares are covering, and we knew that 60 wasn't the squeeze because the short shares hadn't covered. So that's something that you can look at, man. But also, you know, you got to do what's right by you. I'm in the stock until it goes to $11 if it goes that low. Then you're out or you buying more, David? You're out or you're buying more? Let us know. Cassie, the $39.99 pre-market stock I bought, it's already green this morning. Cassie, beautiful. We are testing some support again, though, so hopefully it stays green today, right? Hopefully funds will cover the next 100 years. They will. They will. DAX. Oh, that's what we were looking up. We were going to look up the Dow. Yeah, everything's down today. Isn't it, Shruti? The entire world is bleeding red. Let's see what we got going on. All right, global markets. Yeah, dude. Hang Seng Index over in Hong Kong got ripped almost 3% today. This is like COVID numbers, man. NASDAQ down 145, S&P 133, Dow 122. My goodness. Not a good day. 14, huh? Got any pogs? Brett's on it, man. Brett's on it. He better even know what pogs are. Yanni says, but the thing is, even though you are educated or good at stocks, no one can predict the market and no one can. It's impossible. You can sit there and say that the squeeze hasn't been yet. Stocks is not about logic and stuff. No, Yanni, I would agree 100% with that. And dude, I really want to know how to pronounce your name. Like, if it's Yanni, great. If it's Giannis, okay. I know I'm hacking it up, dude. So just know that I am trying to pronounce it correctly, even though I might sound like I'm pronouncing it wrong. But Yanni, yeah, dude, 100% agree that not a single person, no matter how intelligent they are, can predict the stock market. That is true. That's a fact, man. I would never go against that one. However, there are certain things that you can look at, and like, dude, I'm not worried, right? I got my cost averages in the 13s. I'm not worried at this point. I'm sitting here for AMC to squeeze. I'm not holding AMC for intraday trades. I'm not holding AMC to double my money or anything like that. I've got my money invested into AMC strictly so I can watch it squeeze and see what happens, man. I want to be a part of that. That's why I'm not worried at all. It dips, right? Until the shorts until the fat lady sings, right? Then you're done. But until the shorts have covered, they haven't been covered. Drew Rosina, thank you for the super chat, Drew Rosina. Let's see what Drew's got to say, guys. How can less than 1 million shares sink the stock $5 in pre-market, but 13 million at the open only pushes it up $1? Drew Rosina, excellent question. It brings me back to not my theory, but just the fact that volume. High volume does not mean higher price. Low volume does not mean lower price. High volume can mean lower price. Low volume can mean higher price, man. It just all depends on where those orders are coming in. So you could have an inflow of 50 million shares. Think about it. Okay, if the hedge funds wanted to go out right now and they wanted to cover all 85 million shares and they want to cover them at $20 a share, they can put that order in for $20 a share, all 85 million shares. And if nobody is willing to buy AMC at $40, nobody's willing to buy it at $39.77. Nobody's willing to buy it at $35. The next person that's willing to buy it is at $20, and that's the hedge funds. That's the order that gets filled. So it's just where the orders come in at, man. Volume is good, but it doesn't necessarily mean high volume equals high price or anything like that. Matt Perry, what's going on, man? Gonna dip to 30 today. R. Watson, it could. Let's see. We're breaking through that level of support at 40. Let's see if we've got any more on the chart that we should be concerned about before we hit 30s. I don't remember if we drew the line on there. Man, let's clean this up. We gotta clean it. We gotta do some damage control here. Alright, it's obvious, and we're going to take the bull pennant off now because it's obvious that we broke through the downside of that bull pennant, and we all know that, clearly. If you guys don't know that by now, we broke through the downside of the bull flag. So we don't need that anymore. We're on a beautiful downtrend right now. Alright. Man, that is steep. There's no way it holds that. Come on. There's no way it holds that. Alright. Let me also... Ow! Wanted this one. Sorry, guys. I'll get to the chat in 2 seconds. I just wanted to clean this up and get a downward trend line on here so we can see when we break that downward trend, because there's no way we hold this trend. It's way too steep. Okay. But we were looking at next level of support. Okay, so yeah, if we continue to fall heavily today, which I don't know if we're going to get there today, if we do continue to fall, we're looking at this range right here, 30 to 32. So we'll put it right in here. Oh, didn't want that. Alright, that's what we got. That one clearly didn't hold. Goodbye to that one. Alright, this is the longer term downtrend. You guys got that by now. That's what we got to look out for. 2008 Volkswagen. Yes, that's what you're going to buy post-squeeze is a 2008 Volkswagen. Clay, what happened? Nina, the stock is going down. Paul, could these low numbers be enticing enough to get margin calls? Paul, not margin calls, but it could be enticing enough for the hedge funds to go out and cover their positions. But it wouldn't create a margin. It wouldn't cause a margin call, but it could cause them to go out and cover their stocks on their own accord. Fast forward, I bounced 2 decades forward in my high school at my first phone I had at the time. Shruti, you're a time traveler? Is that what we're saying here? Is that what I gathered out of that one? SD, good morning, SD. SD says, keep on holding. Simple as that. How goes it, Clay? And the broholics. Mark Strand, what's going on, man? If it dips to $10, I'm still holding. Anthony, if it dips to $10, I think we should buy some more. My Clove puts are up 130%. Matt Perry, very nice. Clay, just waiting for 32 or so to pick up some more shares. I'm not too afraid because shorts still haven't covered. They still need to buy millions of shares back. But what price? Dun, dun, dun. That's the question, Amanda. That's the question everybody wants answered. Those were the days of my lives. Britney Spears was an integral part of my adolescence. Trudy, mine too. Mine too. While the interns are still getting coffee for the senior interns, reminder the shills love to come out on red days. Yes, we saw that yesterday. We will see it again today. So yeah, regular Chipbro must be coming in because I see a ton of seeds that have already been taken. And that dude's stealth. He doesn't eat them. He just stuffs them in his cheeks and leaves. I can't feed these guys all day. If it's Little Tail, I'll feed him, but Chipbro doesn't eat fed all day. What's the best way to get more shares while it's down? Click the buy button. Fresh Prince. Buying them is a good way to get more shares while it's down. Scares me that the funds have not covered yet, like they're waiting to make a big play. Well, Chatty, they might be waiting to make a big play, man. It would scare me if they had covered and we were down. They're still borrowing. I'm still holding. Exactly. Clay, what do you know about Nomura? I seen that cut found to the EFS. Luigi. I don't know what Nomura. I seen that cut found to the EFS. Luigi, I don't understand the question, man. I'm very sorry. I don't understand what you're asking there. Terrence, bro, did you hear AMC is on sale? Yes, I did. Gonna buy a few hundred shares. Want me to pick up? I'm gonna buy a few hundred shares. Want me to pick some up? I'm stopping at the gas station. Want something to drink? Yeah, Terrence, go grab a couple for me. And you got a slush at the gas station, man? Not the icy, but more of like a, I don't know, an actual slush. Slush puppy, just a nice slush you get in there. Some point saying Diamond Hands is not gonna help. JG Gaming, I don't know if saying Diamond Hands ever helps. So it's like, watch this. Go up. Go up. Yeah, saying go up doesn't really help. Saying Diamond Hands doesn't necessarily help. But actually holding the stock, and that would help. Everybody, so two of the two price down and then have not to cover their... Oh, one of two. Now I got it. I was like, two of two. 1 and 2 comments. Clay, I've noticed that there appears to be a massive sell-off early in the day, and then we can't recover. It's been happening over the last few trading days. At this rate, can't they just price down and then not have to cover their shorts? Eric, well, they won't have... Listen, they always have to cover their shorts unless the company goes bankrupt, okay? That's the only time they don't have to cover their shorts. Now, if you're talking about not getting margin called, yeah, they're buying themselves some time, man. The stock going down is definitely giving them some room to breathe, and they don't have the lenders breathing down their neck. So definitely on that one if you're trying to avoid margin calls, but the only way to truly avoid a short is for the company to go bankrupt, and AMC's not facing bankruptcy. Luigi says, Nomura, don't borrow any more money to the hedge funds. Yes. Somebody, do not loan any more money to the hedge funds, please. Oh, Nomura's a Japanese... Oh, CC, thank you so much. Nomura's a Japanese bank that isn't dealing with the U.S. hedge funds anymore. Thank you, CC, for clearing that up. Luigi, I am very sorry that I misunderstood what you were saying for a couple of times there, because I didn't know that Nomura was a Japanese bank, man. So thank you very much, CC, for clearing that up there. And well, that's good, dude. If you're not loaning, that's what we're talking about here. These are the steps they need to take in order to see the margin calls take place and all of that. Once they realize that they shouldn't loan anymore, okay, great. But once they realize when they need to call that money back, that's the margin calls that we need to watch. We got chills in here, probably Matt Perry. 50% off AMC. Let's buy and hold. 50% off, guys. 72 to 30. What are we at right now? 39? I can't see it when it's little. 39? Yeah, almost 50% off. Good morning, Clay. In your opinion, does the price action over the past few weeks mirror the Tesla short squeeze? Lex, I don't know, man. It's very difficult to compare two different price patterns of two completely different stocks at two completely different times in history. And you could say that it's dipping before the rip, like Volkswagen. We're gonna watch it go down. Volkswagen, guys, remember, went from 400 euros to 200 euros before shooting up to above 1,000 euros. Okay, remember that. Got cut in half. We're sitting here on AMC. AMC was at $70. We might hit $35 before we rocket up to $200. Keep that stuff in mind, okay? But just because one price pattern happened doesn't mean that it's going to be the other price pattern, and we should follow it for sure. Ryan says fire sale. And yeah, to the guy that said saying diamond hands doesn't always work, I told the stock to go up, and it seems like it started going up. So you might be right, dude. If we say diamond hands, it might actually work, because I told the stock to go up and it started to work. What do you think is happening to the overall market? Manny. Dude, I think it's a down day, man. I just think it's a down day. I truly do. A very big down day at that. It's there's just some COVID numbers over there. But what does anybody know what was going on in Hong Kong this morning? Because I know Hong Kong would have closed a while ago, and they were down big time, almost 3%. So does anybody have news on why the Hang Seng Index closed lower today? What's up, bro? How does the coming enormous put options at 7.9 and 7.16 play towards hedge funds covering? Michael, I don't know. Is there a ton of put options being bought? I don't know if are they being sold or bought? Like, what's the deal? If there's a ton of put options being bought, it just means that people expect the stock is going to go down. So everything crashing. WTF is happening? Adam Taylor. It's a down day, dude. I don't think everything's... Listen, if the market is down 1.5%, that's not a crash, man. I wouldn't consider that a crash. And I also wouldn't consider this a crash for AMC. Yes, it's a big downward move, but it's a very volatile stock at this point. This is like, you should expect these moves. Bunny, 2NV just bought 5 more. Very nice, Bunny. We're down with the market, so we should bounce back with the market. Hopefully that kicks off from some FOMO buying. Brett, and it likely will, right? I know you and I, man, we're holding the stock, but there's a lot of people out there that are trading the stock, and they use the market activity to try and time the stocks and everything else. So if the market's falling, yeah, they're going to want to get out of AMC. If the market's rising, they might want to get back into AMC. No more funds to buy more stocks for me. Kim A, it is all right. Will everything be okay? Good morning, Eligio. Everything will... Dude, I'm going to tell you guys this right now. Everything will always be okay. Sure, we get down days. Maybe AMC comes back down to $10 a share before they finally decide to cover, and we see the stock rocket forward, right? We don't know what's going to happen. But I can guarantee you that everything will always be all right. There will always be a tomorrow, and you're always going to be... tomorrow always brings a new opportunity. So yes, it'll be all right. I'm not worried about AMC, but I legit look at all the stocks, everything red. Adam, everything is red, dude. I'm looking at it right now. Like, every stock market across the globe is red today. Hang Seng got ripped. I want to know. If nobody's looking that up, I'm going to look that up on my tablet right now. I bet if I sell my shares, it will squeeze. As long as I hold, it will keep dropping. Toby, take one for the team, man. Just take one for the team. I know people like you out there, they think that as soon as you do something, the market does the exact opposite. So just take one for the team, dude. It might work out for us. Somebody can help you. We can have 8 Father hit you up with a GoFundMe afterwards, but we'll get you back up there. But I'm saying it, dude. Take one for the team right now. And look, I like the 8 Father, guys. I know you guys don't like him. I like the 8 Father. The dude's a funny guy, very cool, and I'm just messing with Toby right now, telling him to sell because he thinks that everything's his fault. So, Chipro is back and eating. The landscapers are mowing the same exact patch of grass for 2 hours outside my office window, like every week. Just a normal day, and everything is okay. Brett, you couldn't have summed it up any better, my friend. It's a normal day, and everything is okay. Chipro is eating, and the landscapers are mowing that same patch of grass that they mow for 2 hours every week. Man. Why aren't people liking the 8 Father? Oh, I don't know. Matt Perry, because he had a GoFundMe, and then, he was helping apes in need. that they were saying they can't buy shares of AMC because their car broke down or whatever. And people just get like mad if you ask for donations or whatever. I don't know why. Like if you get mad because somebody's asking for a donation, don't donate, dude. Don't donate. It's not I can't tell Matt Perry what to do with his money, right? Matt Perry can't tell me what to do with my money. So don't try to tell somebody else what they can do with their money. It's simple. I'm a sacrifice by selling so the market goes up. Eligio, somebody's got to do it, man. Somebody has to sacrifice for the team here. We'll pick you back up, but it'll be okay. Somebody's got to make the sacrifice. Why is everything red? Underwater Squad, good question. A lot of people are selling. And probably Matt Perry, probably. I want to see, why is everything red? Dude, look at AMC ripping high right now. Come on, guys. You guys just chill out a little bit now. We got a nice big rip up here. Seth Messersmith, thank you very much for becoming a little bro. I love it. Guys, you know what to do right now. I want to see 135 Seth Messersmiths in the chat right now. Welcome, my friend Seth. Thank you for getting that green name. Thank you for becoming a member. And thank you to everybody who's going to tell Smith. His name is not Smith, man. Everybody who's going to tell Seth, welcome to the bros, man. We appreciate it, and everybody here, you are one of us now, Seth. I love it. You're welcome. You're welcome, dude. Look, you're welcome here. It's perfect. It's perfect, Seth. Welcome to the Thunderdome. Oh, yeah. Camila. I haven't seen you in a while, Camila. How are you doing? Camila says, welcome, Seth. Michael, welcome, Seth. Look at all these welcome Seths. I hodl for the apes. Nice, JT. Nice. All right, let's see if I can see what's going on with the Hang Seng today. See if something happened in Asia or Hong Kong or what's going on with that. Clay, we going to the moon. Underwater Squad, you know we are. It's just a matter of when, right? That's all we got to figure out is when. Hi, everybody. What is up, Seth? Glad to have you in here, Seth. Thank you for getting that green name, man. Welcome, man. Seth, welcome to the most dysfunctional family ever. Here's the deal, man. It's a coordinated dysfunction, all right? We might be dysfunctional, but we are doing a couple of things. We are making money, and we are having fun. Like, you cannot deny those two things. So, we may be dysfunctional, but we are making money and we are having fun. So yes, Seth, welcome to the family, my man. I'm good. I've been here every day just hanging. I love it, Camila. I love it. That's the best part, guys. You know by now. Look, you hang out with people. When you get comfortable with them, you don't have to talk if you don't want to talk. You just chill out, listen, have some fun. Dipalicious. We got Happy Biden in the house. What is going on, Happy? Good afternoon, darling. How are you doing? Just had pizza for breakfast. I think it's a sign of things to come for AMC. Definitely. Was it good pizza? That's what we want to know. Local pizza shop, or you going big box chain like Pizza Hut? Clay, are you sure that the squeeze happened? Nina, am I sure the squeeze didn't happen? Is that what you're saying? I'm sure the squeeze didn't happen. They didn't cover their shorts yet. Come on now. Clay, I heard a rumor that you were going to be on TMI's chat. Is the rumor, or is that just rumor? Teresa. Yeah, man, I was messaging him on Twitter, and I'll go on his chat. It's just, I got to figure out when that guy goes live. I know he does some lives in the morning, so if you wanted to do like a pre-market, I could go on there. TMI, I don't know if you're watching right now, or if you're listening, or if anybody in here. I really don't know who's streaming right now. I didn't check it, what was going on before I got on here. I was busy looking at the market. But, yeah, if somebody wants to let him know, like, I can tell him later, too. It was just whenever he wants to do it, man. I can go hang out with him for a while. Morning would probably be better because, well, unless he does, like, a noon stream. I don't know if he streams during lunchtime. But, I could do a morning stream and then just 20 minutes or whatever he wants to do. And then, because after I end the afternoon stream, I got to do the video, and that takes a while and all that, and then I'm hungry, and I got to eat dinner and everything like that. So we'll figure it out, man. It's rumor at the moment, but we're gonna make it happen. My best friend is Diamond-Handed Ape to the core. Been investing since we were kids. He is a huge supporter. Can you get a shout out to Joe Roberts? Shout out to Joe Roberts, man. You Diamond-Handed Ape. I love it. We're gonna buy up all the paper-handed shares. The haters. I know we will. All right. Chipbro needs some more seeds. Who says we get the Chipmunk cam on? Anybody? Chipmunk came on because we got some beautiful candles coming in here for AMC right now. So, nice. I like that. I told you we were going to sustain this downward trend right here. It's too steep. It was way too steep. Green Chipmunk's coming in. I love it, Sean. Me too. Yeah, he does pre-market every morning. Teresa, if that's the case and he wanted to do something for a minute, I don't know, 9 to 9:20 or whatever, I just got to make sure I can get back on my stream at 9:30 because I start at 9:30. Money won't buy anyone caring. Exactly, Matthew. Nobody's going to care. Money won't buy you friends, and money's not going to buy anybody caring. Matthew, you're on it, man. Good morning, fam. Natalie, good morning to you. Shane is in the house, too, looks like. All right, very nice. Morning, bro. What's up? How are you? Put it on. Let's put the Chipmunk cam on. Yeah, we'll get it set up, man. See if he's going to eat this morning. I can't feed him all morning long, though, because typically I do it in the afternoon. So if I feed the dude all morning long, he's going to be a fat bro, and we don't need the Chipmunk being a fat bro. We just got to make sure the little guy gets some food, and the little guy did eat today. So we'll just go this one for a second, and then I'll go grab that camera and set up that meeting for the Chipmunk. Promise I'm coming back. I should grab that phone. Alright, I'll get that meeting set up and then... Oh no. Don't want to do that. What's up, Clay? What's up, Arwin? How are you doing? If the squeeze were happening, would the candlestick look this steep? Yeah, probably. Paul? I mean, when the squeeze is happening, man, if we get that sort of volume and the shorts or margin called to cover, then yeah, it's going to be a very steep move. What up, Clay? I wake up at 6 a.m. Seth, where you at? California? Money and friendships go hand in hand. Oh, yeah, the more money you get, the more friends you got, right? That's what everybody needs to remember. The more money you have, the more friends you have. What up, ClayBro? What's up, Carissa? How are you? Wish I had more powder. Bought 130 yesterday. Would love to buy more today. Dan. Powder? I have not heard money referred to as powder before, but I like it. Seth wakes up. Well, dude, I don't know where Hagerstown is, man. Hagerstown? Is this, give me the state. I don't know where Hagerstown is. Question. Will all the talk about AMC 13-day threshold, would today be the 13th day that shorts are mandated to cover, and is that the reason why the price is driven down today? Lex, I don't know if today's the 13th day or if it was 13 consecutive trading days. If Blackjack Dealer's in the house, I know he was looking that up the other day, but here's the thing, man. It's not like you're going to go out and cover all of those the same day. Also, it's only like 13 million shares that they would have to cover maximum. So I wouldn't think that 13 million shares wouldn't drive the price up or down drastically like that. Clay Shruti is coming over for dinner later. If you want to come too, absolutely. I'll be there. What are we having? That's the real question. Now it depends. Maryland. Oh, shoot, dude. You do wake up real early then. I'm not awake by 6. Come on now. I'm in California. I wake up at 6 a.m. Everybody wakes up at 6 a.m. except for me. Hey, Chase. It's me and Macro King. My son, Chase Bangers, got me involved. I'm excited. This is my first live chat. Marco King. Chasing Bangers, man. I do know Chasing Bangers for sure. Glad you're in here, Marco King. Absolutely, first live chat. Dude, you're in the right place, man. I'm telling you. This is going to be good. Shout out to you, and definitely no Chasing Bangers for sure. Sean Gallant, where are you from? Yeah, we want to know. You guys might be related. Brothers? Whatever you're cooking. You're inviting me over to cook at your house? Goodness. Ooh, I'm gonna tell you this right now because this is bomb. I made some stir fry last night. Yeah. Oh, I gotta get this thing set up. I'm pretty sure he ate all those seeds already. I made some stir fry last night, guys, and some shrimp. You guys don't even know. M. James, man, you gotta hire me. You gotta hire me, M. James. That shrimp was good, guys. It really was. That shrimp was real good. Lagging. No, Natalie, if I'm lagging, leave and come back. I don't know. It doesn't look like I'm lagging on my screen, though. Don't be scared and bash on that like button. Do it, guys. We got 126 people in here. Let's get over 100 likes. You guys have been slacking on the like button lately. I've been watching. I know. What is Louver's going to be excused? Terry, I have no idea. Ask him. Ask him, please. Ask him. I want to know, too. Oh, no. Start a new meeting here. I really want to know what the excuse is going to be, because I don't like when people... No, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, I know the meeting is safe. Shrimp, bro. Oh, blackjack dealer. I'm telling you, man, that shrimp was real good last night. Stir fries and shrimp. Any drinks? Don't say no. I had water. I'm trying to remember. I don't think I had any lemonade last night. I had water. I drank water last night. But, dude, I made a shrimp stir fry last night. It was so good. I have to watch that movie, Brett. What movie? Now I need to watch it. Good morning, Clay. Manjeet! What's going on with AMC? We are down today. Why are they still letting people buy if no stocks are available? Manjeet, there are stocks available. That will be why. What is the point of all this hustle? I don't even know what's going on anymore, guys. I feel so lost. Some of the worst people are the richest people. It's not causation, but there is some bigger things at hand here, possibly. Oh my goodness, Clay. Sounds good, doesn't it, Shruti? Some water and shrimp stir fry. It really was good, though. Jason, what's going on? Good morning to you. Why do people believe that people that hold short positions have to cover FTDs from the threshold list when the FTDs come from the brokerage? Why do people believe that short positions? Well, short position, like whoever is at fault for the FTD has to rectify that FTD regardless. Whether it's on a show list or threshold list or not. Alright, we'll just join now. It's like I'm joining my own meeting. Okay, and then I gotta join this camera. It's weird. Hilarious, but sounds scrumptious, Clay. It was delicious, Shruti, I'm telling you. It really was. Prime broker, empty ethereal community is getting to me, to be honest. So depressing. Don't get depressed, Matthew. No, don't get out, dude. Don't leave. Matthew, stay here with us. Come on. What are you doing? We're setting up the Chipmunk cam, dude. The Chipmunk cam is not depressing. Although it is kind of rainy out. That might be depressing. If you don't like clouds, maybe you should leave. TGG. Okay. Am I in? Oh no, camera. We want the camera on. Nice. Okay. What up, ClayBro? What's up, Aria? Guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna go throw this Chipmunk cam over by the door. Not having my AMC shares is far more scary to me than the price dipping. Yes, Leon, I would agree with that. Clay, you give a shout out to my pops in the chat. His name is Marco. Jason Bangers, already seen him, man. Marco King. Saw him. Gave him a shout out already, Jason Bangers. Gave you a shout out too. Be right back. I'm gonna get this Chipmunk cam set up real quick, and then just give me like 1 minute. Not even a minute. 30 seconds, dude. Oh, Little Tail. What's up, buddy? Yeah, Little Tail was actually just over there. So, let's see what we got. If we bring up Chipmunk, you know what? Hold on. We got main. I gotta reset the Chipmunk camera up. Apes ride bulls and tame bears should be our motto. I like it. I'm on it, dude. We need to start saying that. Apes ride bulls and tame bears. Ooh, Danny Boo or Danny B 0081. Like your AMC videos. I'm currently buying the dip and holding 870 shares strong. Apes together strong. Danny B, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for holding 870 shares, and thank you very much for not being afraid on days like today when we dip. Absolutely, Danny B. Thank you very much for that. All right. Danny B's holding 870 shares, and he's holding them strong. I'm telling you that. The dude's he's doing good. He's doing good. Let's see what we got here. We're going to have to readjust the settings on this one because... nope. I got to add a different window. Got to add a different window for that. Alright, we got to delete that Chipmunk cam. We got to re-add. Add a source. Window capture. Add source. Gotta add a new source. Chip. Type, man. Chipmunk. Add that source. No! You guys aren't supposed to see that. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Alright, we can get that bad boy to sit up there for a minute. And then if he jumps in, we gotta go Chipmunk full. But we gotta re-add that Chipmunk in there. So give me 2 seconds, guys, and we'll get this Chipmunk full in here, and then we'll be good to go when the Chipmunk comes in. Window capture, add source, Chipmunk. Perfect. And make it a little bigger. Alright, cool. That's big enough for me. It's big enough for you. Alright, I like it. We got Chipmunk full up there. Alright, we're back to main. Keep an eye out for the Chipmunk, guys. Can we all tweet our favorite celebrity crush to support this case? Blackjack. We probably could. We probably could. Check out CARV. AMC 100K. What's CARV doing? I bought 3 more. Just mad I didn't get under 40. Good morning, ClayBro and AMC family. Good morning, Yalamed. How are you doing? AMC will make a lot of new millionaires. I want to be a millionaire too. So freaking bad. You're like, oh man, what's that song? You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. I will admit it, to the high 42 is awesome. Keep going, keep going. Let's watch this thing run the rest of the morning, right? All right, Hang Seng Index. Let's see what happened this morning with Hong Kong. No. I don't know. Don't really have any news popping up for today that we can easily see. Who knows? Probably just a bad day. You guys keep an eye on the Chipmunk cam for me too. If he comes in, let me know and I'll be him on there. I want to be a millionaire. David! So do we all. Bruno Mars. Yeah. There we go. David, you were on it. Chasen's on it. Good deal, guys. Chasen too slow. He wasn't that slow. He's faster than me. Travis McCoy and Bruno Mars. Billionaire. Caesar on it as well. I like it, guys. You know more than I do. Apes not leaving. Trending online and Twitter. Very, very nice. Although with that camera there, I can't see when he comes in, so I can only see on the screen. So make sure to watch that, guys, please. You will be a millionaire. We will all be millionaires, guys. Right now, if you're not a millionaire right now, you have to hold the stock for it to go up further. That's clearly. But tornado hitting in North Carolina. Seth, it's not good. Freak nasty when I dip, you dip, we dip. I like it. Brett's onto the music scene. Brett knows all about it. I just want to taste the blood of these hedgies. Do you see how? It's better than the tears, I guess. I don't know. Hey, Clay, your painting of the trees looks nice today, as usual. Caesar, thank you very much. I do a new one every single day. I put it, like, before I come on stream, I always do a new painting. So, thank you for appreciating my hard work. My mom told me never sell yourself short. She was a hedge fund manager. Nice. That's good advice. You guys all have a great day. I've got to go to work, unfortunately. AMC to the moon. Hold everybody. Joseph, have a great day at work, man. Thank you for stopping by. Bruno Mars and Katy Perry's old boyfriend. I can't think of his name. Well, Caesar got it earlier. Chipmunk alert is what I would say if I saw him. James, the fact that it was all caps, I thought that you were saying there was a Chipmunk alert on the screen. Why you gotta do that to me? Brett's on the music scene. If anyone has any questions from songs from 1997, please let me know and I'm happy to help. Good. Brett is on the music scene, guys. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got nothing going on. Why did it do that? I didn't like that. I have all YouTubers. Seth. I have all YouTubers. We're still doing parachute pants, right? Oh, absolutely, Brett. At least I am. I have a pair of parachute pants, got a pair of cargo shorts, got a pair of jeans, got a pair of swimming trunks, and I got a pair of gray sweatpants. That is it, my friend. Sums it all up. Sums up the wardrobe. Great work putting everybody's mind at ease. A lot of newer apes need that also. You look like you combed your hair with a rock this morning. Dan, thank you. I combed my hair with my hand. So it was actually a diamond that I combed my hair with. So yes, get a webcam. Maybe not. Cargo parachute pants, ready for anything. And cargo parachute pants that unzip at the knee in case you want to make them shorts. Triller Troll is the type of guy to eat pizza with a fork and knife. Other countries, they do eat pizza with a fork and knife. It's kind of weird, but not me, man. I'm eating pizza with my hands, with my diamond hands. Stinking Hedgies start to cover their FTDs. Possibly Dio Xiao Xiao. I don't know if they did or not, but they may have. Where's the... Oh, that's Chipmunk. That's when we watch Weeble. Alright, I gotta delete. I gotta put one more Chipmunk up on here. I was like, how do I get the big Weeble with a little Chipmunk? Alright, if you guys see my dude jump up in the house, let me know. This is looking much better today. I like this. Where are we at right now? Down 4%. Dude, we were down like 12% pre-market. Come on. 4% doesn't scare anybody. What the heck? Nobody's scared at 4%. Carry all your belongings and land safely. Cargo parachute pants. They got you covered in any situation whatsoever. Natalie, and look great doing it. Yes, what a beautiful day. Lambo, it is a beautiful day for AMC and just life in general. I use my hands to eat pizza. Me too. Happy Biden prefers a fork and knife with pizza. See what I'm saying? Other countries, they do weird things, but it's all right. You're British. It's classy when you do it that way. Yeah, it's just weird when we do it that way. But when the darling does it that way, it's a darling, isn't it? Tell it to move up again. Philip! I will. Alright, buddy. Just move up. Move up, buddy. Come on. Just follow that line. It's alright. Follow that line and you'll be okay. Happy Biden, I don't hate you for that because you're holding AMC and not a show. Darling, yes. It's so darling when the darling does that. You know? Hope y'all washed your hands before eating the pizza. Rumor has it Clay doesn't wash his hands. And 95% of the time, rumors are true, aren't they, Caesar? Yes. And the other 5% of the time, the rumor becomes true after you start it. So, we know what that means. Powder, thanks for the shout out, Clay. This is my first live chat, and it's been very interesting. Yeah, my son chasing bangers. It's all his fault. Marco! I don't know. I saw Powder earlier. I don't know if it was you that said it or somebody else that said it, but yes. This is definitely, look, man, look, Marco, welcome. Everybody, Marco might be new. He doesn't know what's going on here. So, Marco, you're going to have a lot of fun. You're going to make a lot of money. And if things get a little out of hand, we always circle back to AMC. We've got a Chipmunk cam going on for everybody that wants to watch the Chipmunk when he gets hungry, but apparently he's not coming in the room right now, so I don't know what's going on with that. Yeah. But I promise, we will circle back to AMC at some point if we get lost. We are winning a $14.50 a share, and we are winning now at $42.50 a share. Remember that, guys. Brett's right. Caesar, he also doesn't eat pizza. Only eggs, quesadilla, and cookies. You guys might not believe it, but I do. Like, quesadilla, like, if I'm not eating eggs, I'm eating quesadillas. If I'm not eating a quesadilla, I'm eating eggs. Like, I don't know what else there is to eat. It's just a quesadilla. Like, if you get leftovers from the night before, what do? You make it into a quesadilla. It's just what you do. Breakfast / lunch, eggs. I don't know what else to do. Watch my hands every day. Seth watches his hands every day. Interesting. Clay, you have a light source on your face when you do this live. Oh, yeah. I got a ring light. DF Xiao Xiao. I got a ring light, man. You might be able to see it if I... can you tell? Like if I hold this up here? Yeah, see the ring light there in Spider-Man's eyes? In the middle of his face? You can tell. There's a ring light here. And I'm telling you, dude, if you plan on doing any live streams or any videos, just get a ring light. They're like, I don't know, $20 or something, or $30. Get one, dude. Oh, yeah, Matt Perry. I'm telling you, like, just get a ring light. It's going to make it a lot better. It really will. Quesadilla is better than a burrito. Sergeant Bologna. I know, dude. I'd go quesadilla. But sometimes, you know, I might just do tacos instead. Like, if I don't feel like making the actual quesadilla, I might just go tacos. And washing it all down with lemonade. Natalie, yes. Really, it's true. Washing it all down with lemonade. Doesn't matter if it's breakfast with eggs. It doesn't matter if it's quesadilla for lunch. It's just all going down with eggs. Or it's all going down with lemonade. The Sharks on Shark Tank need to buy AMC and watch it fly. Come on, Mr. Wonderful. Yeah, the Sharks on Shark. Wouldn't that be hilarious if I got on Shark Tank and gave a pitch for them to go out and buy AMC? I was selling AMC, and that's what they should go out and buy because of the short squeeze. Can you recommend a brand? Is there one ring light to rule them all? Brett, I cannot recommend a brand, dude. I don't know what brand ring light this is. And I feel like if you're trying to buy a branded ring light, you might pay more for it. But this bad boy, telling you, dude, cheap. And then I can do all this stuff. Watch this. Watch this. You ready? Like, this is how bright it gets. I would probably die if I had to do this. Like, look how bright that was. The camera had to readjust. Did you see that? That was insane. And I can also go orange. That's warm light right there. I promise I'm not in a tanning bed. I promise. Or I can do like a mix. But we'll just go nice cool lighting and second setting up. It's good. I know you guys saw that though. That was intense there. Matt said something to Natalie. I'm not hating on Natalie because she's great to look at as well, but where's Natalie Hess? I don't know where she's at. Oh no, we gotta go back to the cool setting. This looks better. No! Nice mugs, ClayBro. Thank you, Aria. I appreciate that. I like my Spider-Man mug. Bacon and eggs burrito better than Pop-Tarts. Yeah, dude, a bacon and egg burrito would be better than Pop-Tarts. I would agree with that. Thought for a moment a UFO had landed. That's what I'm saying, Caesar. I had to warn you guys about that. And it was going to be big. Trudy says it looks better when I blow myself up and nobody can tell what's going on here. All Natalie's matter. They do. UB-size ring light with a tripod, TikTok, compatible with phones, cameras, and webcams. That might be a good one. I don't know. I should probably put a ring light in the description below so you guys can go grab that too. 100 mosquitoes just died because of that light. I wouldn't doubt it, Blackjack. I wouldn't doubt it. Yeah. But no, guys, I would. Like, if you plan on doing any streams, I don't care what you plan on live streaming, or doing videos, if you want to do videos on something, it's just good because, you can open the window and get some natural light to come in, and I've had to do it before. Like, I've done a video when the power was out. But, man, you get your ring light, you can take the ring light anywhere with you, you just turn it on, and you always get the same lighting. It's good. Oh, you skipping AMC Talk to play with your buddies? Cool. Catch you another time. Courtney, life, journey, and perception. Skipping AMC Talk to play with your buddies. What do you mean? You leaving? Catch you later? You want to continue talking about AMC, moving sideways? Like, what are we doing here? You wanna watch AMC? Is that what Courtney wants? Everybody, this is what Courtney wants. So we'll just go big screen AMC, and then we can go little screen later. All right, so AMC is currently at $42.05, 41, 42 flat, 42.03, 02, 03, 04, 03, 02, 03, 02. No current news coming out. 05, 42.07. Oh, wow, 42.14. That was a nice jump. 42.10, 42.06, 09, 12, 12. 42.10, 07. Yeah, that's good. There's really no news that's coming out to drive this candle higher, guys. I want to know why it's going higher, but it's all right if we don't know, because sometimes the market just moves in mysterious ways. We're at 42.15, 42.16, 42.17, 42.20, 19, 18, 15, 18, 19, 18, 20, 19, 20, and 28. Wow, I get a nice little bump to the candle there. 42.32. Nice buy order coming in 10 cents higher. 42.41 is what we're at right now. And yes, this is strictly AMC talk today, non-stop. We will be watching this go higher throughout the morning, and then we will break and come back afterwards. 42.32 at the moment. It's all right. If something starts happening, we can get back to it. It's okay, but we're here. We're having a good time. Oh, yes, Mysterious, man. I'm glad you're back. I was wondering if you were going to be pumping APTY today. I was really wondering. Thank you very much for pumping APT. Does anybody know, like, does APTY even exist? Fintech stablecoin stock. Go get it. But I'm glad he's got a different copy and paste this morning. So good. Ortex. Brett wants Ortex. Sounds like an auction. Rick Lee. That's exactly what the stock market is. It's constant auction going on for the stock. So thank you. It means I was doing my job. Can we go back to the Chipmunk talk? Justin! Courtney really wanted AMC talk nonstop. So, no, we can't. We have to do what Courtney said about AMC nonstop there. But we will talk about the Chipmunk if he comes in. I don't know where he's at. I feel like I should go over to the door and see if he's just like waiting to come in or if he's afraid or something. Because he was in here so often. And now he's like, he's scared. And I don't know why. Maybe I wasn't talking to you. I feel a fight coming on, and I don't know why. Guys, behave. Listen, don't make me call mom, all right? Don't make me call mom now. I got a Glamour Classic Light. Nice, Biden. Happy Biden. See, when the darling knows about the lights, you do what the darling says. And she's got a Glamour Classic Light. I'm not exactly sure what a Glamour Classic Light is, but it sounds like it's a very good thing. So, also, link that one. Titles like AMC, Q&A, and analysis. We all know this one is laid back, but maybe all don't realize that. Carissa, possibly, but I do believe that Courtney's been in here several times before, so I think Courtney does realize that, and nobody's asking any questions about AMC. So yes, we can analyze AMC, but we kind of did that a little bit already. And if you guys got any questions about AMC, please, I mean, let's hear them. That is what the title is about. But I know Courtney's been in here before. Oh boy, time to watch LeBron dunk on a middle school gym class. Let's do it. Let's do it, Brett. Glamcore, sorry. I still don't know what brand, but that must be a brand. So I like it. If the darling says go with Glamcore, you go with Glamcore. All right. That's just plain and simple. Diamonds everywhere! ClayBro! What's up? Can I get an woo? What's for breakfast, bro? Like the breakfast that I already technically ate, or what I'll probably be eating after the stream? Because you guys are going to laugh. You guys are going to hate me, man. All I had to eat so far today was some tortilla chips with Cholula hot sauce and a mozzarella cheese stick. That's what I've had so far to eat today. And after, I don't know, man. I'm thinking another quesadilla for lunch today, but we're not there yet. It's 10:30. I got at least an hour and a half before I figure out what I'm eating for lunch. But that's what I've had to eat so far. With a rock, that's the weirdest comment. David, but I did it with my hand. I combed it with my hand, so happens. Couldn't have been rocking with you since February. Lots of these people are new, so I reserve all right to chat with Clay. Rocking since February. I like it. Very good, Courtney. Very good. Rocking with me since February. With the average short positions being 30 days out, what would put them shorting at 50 in the mid-60s range? So wouldn't they be winning currently? Well, if the average would that put them in the 50s? They'll put them in the 50s. Carissa. And I don't know if that is the average short position that's outstanding, and I don't know if that's just like the average of the average short positions outstanding, or if it's the actual average on AMC. But yes, please assume that the hedge funds are not only shorting AMC at $5 a share or $10 a share. They are absolutely shorting it all the time, okay? They've got shorts out here. It's $70 a share, so they're absolutely winning on those $70 a share shorts. But I don't know if that's just like the last position they picked up, because you know that unless they covered these down here, they're still definitely losing on those. But yeah, guys, they're absolutely pulling short positions out here. They're winning on some of their shorts. Not all of them, but they're winning on some of their shorts. What's up, ClayBro? Long time no see. FaZe, man. Must be summer vacation. Glad to have you back in here, FaZe. Thank you very much. 9:30 here in Chicago. It is 10:30 here in Ohio. I'm like tacos. Seth is like a taco. If you guys didn't hear the premiere preview of Boom Boom Candles on my stream last night, check the last 6 minutes out. It was awesome. Is that a song? Matt Perry? I would assume it's a song, but I don't know. Chicago, you mean Chirac. Place is like a war zone down south side. David is very conservative when it comes to potentially dangerous places. He does not like Columbia, and he also does not like Chicago. David, is there a place you do like? That's what we need to know. Matt Perry, join your channel. What's your channel called? The AMC Vigilante. Do you have a video that explains Hedge's covering and how that may possibly look like only covering 13 mil at a time? Jake Sky, I don't have a video on them covering like 13 million at a time or anything like that. I do have several videos on hedge funds covering. So there's one hedge, like the thumbnail is like bankruptcy or something, and I don't remember the titles of all these videos since I do one every day. But that one is out there where it says bankruptcy, like what happens if the hedge funds declare bankruptcy. I got some exit plan ones that talk about some different things that you could look for. Duration of the short squeeze is a good one. That might be a little bit more in reference to what you're talking about. Is the duration of the short squeeze one, talking about like if they cover fast or cover slow. So yeah, I do have a couple out there, but if you guys want some updated ones or whatever, let me know. Always looking for video ideas. Yeah, same guy that made Moon Gang song, Martian XTG. I have not seen it, so I have to check that out if you guys, or if you got it on the last minute of your live stream there, last 6 minutes. Great guy, great supporter, very nice. It's like the price I want AMC to be goes low. I just needed to go to 500. Now I want 1,000. Before that, I wanted 5,000. Face. It'll happen, man. Shorts haven't covered yet. It's all right. No need to panic. No need to worry. You've been in this for quite a while, Face. You're doing fine. AMC just needs to go to 500. Yes. Do you eat vegetables, ClayBro? Yeah. Last night I had some. Technically, I think peppers might be considered a fruit, but yeah, I eat vegetables. Broccoli, asparagus. Peppers are probably a fruit, technically. Zucchini, I don't know if that's a fruit. It's got seeds. Squash might be a fruit. What the heck are vegetables anyway? Diamonds everywhere! We are number one! Get it here. We are number one! We are number one! We are number one! Thank you, Diamonds everywhere, because we are number one! We are number one! Thank you. Diamonds everywhere with a super sticker. I like it. Thank you very much for that. Diamonds everywhere. Holding it down in Chicago, ladies and gentlemen. Do you ever get recognized by people when you're not streaming? Yeah, my family always recognizes me. Some of my friends recognize me. And, that's about it. Acquaintances, they would recognize me. I wanted to visit Chicago art museums, but yet not going to that city anytime soon. Sadly, they keep moving here with their bad problems. Cassie, you must live close to Chicago? I'm not sure. Yes, Natalie, what Clay said. The AMC Vigilante. What's your deadlift PR? Oh, that's a good question, dude. I actually... I have not PR'd my deadlift in quite a while. Lower 300s. How many pull-ups can you do? And also, when will the shorts cover? How many pull-ups can I do, like, without coming down off the bar? I don't know. I think the most I ever did without coming off the bar was 30. And also when the shorts will cover in the future, Brett, to answer the question. Matt Perry, if you could talk about ring lights and Dragon Ball Z and Pokemon and all that kid stuff, I don't care. I interact with Clay, not you. Why are you mentioning me? I support Clay. Relax, Mr. Bodyguard. It's alright, dude. It's alright, guys. No fighting. Please, just be friends. Oh, no. Please, just be friends. Oh, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna have to call Mom on you guys. I'm telling you. Don't make me call Mom on you guys. We're all good. Pull up beast, bro. Well, that's the most I've had. Like, I don't sit there and, like, try to do more. Shorts will cover in 30 days. Clay confirmed. Mark it on your calendars. That makes it August 8th. Write it down. Because if I was like everybody else out there, I would be saying August 8th. How do I get that DD? Brett asked me a good question. Brett said, how many pull-ups can you do? Also, when will the shorts cover? I said, I'm pretty sure the most I've ever done without coming off the bar was 30. And shorts will cover in the future. And Brett put it together, a.k.a. Brett Texas. So we have to, I don't know, tag Brett Texas in everything that we do now. And that is the DD for the day. Spread it on Reddit. Spread it on Twitter. Spread it on YouTube. That is confirmed. Shorts will cover on August 8th. Is that 30 days out? I just did a month out. Somebody do that. It was 31 days in July. Now I don't even know. 7, 14, 21, 28, 29, 30. Shorts are covering on a Saturday, okay? Shorts will be covering on Saturday, August 7th is when the shorts are covering. Sucks that we're going to miss that, man. Covering in the dark pools on Saturday, August 7th. Crap. That's some serious DD, Brett. We just dug ourselves into a big old hole. Now I'm scared. Maybe try frying those eggs. I should, Brett. Clay, can you get a little flabby so you'd only do like 7 pull-ups? Squeezing next week would be awesome. Brett, I'm going to try my best, dude, because if it squeezes in 30 days, that means they're covering on August 7th, which is a Saturday. Local Urban says, August 8th is my birthday. Nice! Wait, what did I miss? Eric, you missed it, dude. Shorts are covering on August 7th. We did the DD, man. We did the DD. We need to get this on Reddit. Stat, I know. Where's M. James? I feel like M. James has some pull on Reddit, and he might be able to get it up there. Crap! What are we going to do? When they close on Saturday, someone's time machine took a wrong turn in Albuquerque. August 8th? Gosh. I think Cody is good, just misunderstanding. I think so too, man. You guys are all good. Never that, kiddo. Don't make me Kamehameha you. Don't make me Kamehameha you, please. Kamehameha. And that makes AMC go higher. If you didn't know, that's why I did it. Hey, Clay, added on the dip today. Let's go. Where's that DD? Eric, I'll tell you about it. They're closing. The shorts are closing on August 7th because Brett asked me what's the most pull-ups I've ever done before, and I said the most I've ever done is 30. He also asked me when the shorts are covering, and I said in the future. So he put it together, man. It's brilliant. He put it together that shorts will be covering 30 days in the future. And that brings us to August 7th. It's a Saturday, yes, but they've got dark pools open all weekend long. Dang, I know we're going to miss it. Man, it sucks, guys. Crap. What happens when you hit rock bottom? Sorry, it's my dad joke of the day. Nick, I like it. What happens when you touch the rock, when you touch Dwayne Johnson's rear end? You hit rock bottom. Oh my gosh, Clay, gonna kill you. Eric, don't kill me, man. Don't kill me. That's what we were going. That's the DD that we had to work with at the time. Okay? It's the DD we had to work with at the time, man. So personality changed after that. My brother is 26. Were you part of that group that got booted out of... I don't even know what's going on there. Booted out of Leo? Maybe. Some of Virgo. WTF is DD. Due diligence, man. Or sometimes nonsense. DD sometimes stands for nonsense. I like music and other things too. Matthew, very nice. I like music and other things as well. AMC's line almost seems to be twerking. If it were a club, I'd be throwing 20s at it. Dude, I mean, you can almost throw... If you throw 2 20s, you can grab yourself a share. You can grab a big old handful of that AMC right there for 2 20s right now. I say go for it. Isn't it funny when you turn the camera on that Chipmunk doesn't want to come around? Due diligence used to... Yeah, but sometimes it stands for nonsense, man. I'm telling you. We used to have a big family party for all the August birthdays in the family. Now I pretty much disowned them all because I moved out of state according to them. No, Cassie, why would you move out of state? The family needs you. Grandpa Bernie at 400 shares. Very nice, Grandpa Barney. Glad that you got 400 shares, man. Thank you. Grandpa, how old are you? Are you really a grandpa hanging out in the live stream with us? I like it if you are. Can the shorts cover through an alternative trading system, or do they have to use the open market? No fudge, just trying if the hedges can escape the head. Yeah, they can cover, but here's the deal, man. Are they going to be able to find all the shares in a dark pool? That's the question you need to ask. They can buy those shares there, yes, but are they going to be able to cover them? You know, my brothers just wish you were chilling in real life. I know, dude. We are chilling. I am in real life right now. I look like I might be on your screen, but I am in real life. Also, I am chilling. So I am chilling in real life right now, and I hope you are as well. I clicked back on the video and heard that. I was kind of excited. I imagine feeling that excited is how all your dates start off, but near the middle or the end, they all pick up on a phantom phone call and leave. Eric, it happens, dude. It happens all the time. But here's the deal. We all need a little excitement. Dude, listen, I'm sorry if I if some people out there were like, oh crap, the DD says it's squeezing in 30 days. Yeah, but no, that's what a lot of the DD out there is like, and you know it is, right? Remember last week when everybody says the endless loophole of shorts and the bonds were squeezing the stock? Please don't forget, guys. Please don't forget. Now, y'all. Good morning with love and sunshine from LBC SoCal. I don't know what LBC is. To my ClayBro and all my fellow apes, I just bought 250 more shares on the dip. Now, y'all. Are you the one that's going to be selling everybody a house in Southern California post-squeeze? Because, dude, housing prices, housing market in Ohio is getting absurdly expensive. So I think that everybody's just going to have to not live in Southern California post-squeeze. There's no way. Seth Bro. We got a Seth Bro in the house. Hoping to be a millionaire by August 8th. Be like the best 30th birthday present. ClayBro has confirmed. Yes, local urban. Go spread the news. I don't care where you spread it. Go spread the news. Remember when everybody was just calling me a fudge shill on Reddit, and then I had a bunch of people come in and made best friends with Matt Perry and M. James and everybody who thought I was a shill on Reddit? Yeah, just go spread some DD on Reddit and say that confirmed 30 days from now we are going to be squeezing 400 shares. Is a lot of inheritance for those 3 grandbabies. It is, Brett. Did you hear Clay? The baby is making a car. No. Long Beach City. Gotcha, Sergeant Beef. Thank you. That I did not know. Trades swore it would squeeze in June. No dates, just hold. Yeah, well, here's the deal. Does anybody hold trades accountable? Trades accountable. No, they don't. You can hold me accountable, though. I'm telling you that right now. You can hold me accountable. August 7th. Shorts will cover. 30 days from now. Not 30 trading days. 30 legitimate days. Saturday, August 7th. Love you, Clay. Thank you for everything you do. You've become a part of my life daily. I think I speak for a lot of us when I say you're a beacon of light in the ape community. Eric, I appreciate that, man. I really do. I really do. And I know we're just hanging out, having a good time. But, dude, if we were so dead serious about watching this graph and freaking out every time it moves up and down, it would be so difficult that nobody would want to do it. But that's not what it's about, man. It's about buying the shares, holding the shares, and charging the hedge funds ridiculously high prices to buy these shares back. Easy does it. Bought more on the dip. Easy does it. Thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for buying more on the dip. And thank you very much for being in this live stream. Apparently, Matt thought everyone was a shill in the beginning. Probably, Courtney, probably. But he comes around, and when he comes around and he becomes your friend, then you are like, it's good news. Definitely good news. Clay sounded like a shill in the beginning. Man, I don't know if I sounded like a shill in the beginning. You just read all your Reddit DD and then came in here and all that. Nothing has changed since the beginning now. You should stop with the predictions. Okay, just hodl. Vadette, that's not a prediction. Have you ever seen Waterboy? When the reporter asks what the score is going to be, Vadette. That ain't no guess. That's what it's going to be. Yeah. You're my favorite YouTuber, Seth! Yes! Appreciate that, man. I like being your favorite YouTuber. M. James is not in here right now, but he says I'm his top 3. Gosh, I get a breakout of that top 3. I don't know why. Matt's the show guardian. For sure. He makes sure that everybody converts over. Clay, can we get a pillowcase with your face on it up on the website? It's for a friend. Yes, we can. I need one of those too. Not for a friend, just for me. Just for me. That would be amazing. I'm gonna do it. You guys keep me busy on the weekends. Now I need to design a pillowcase. I can do it though. Actually, I could just buy some white pillowcases and then probably print my face on them, right? Can't just get all good news. Gotta keep it real and give both to be the positive and the negative. Jun Hyuk Choi, 100% agree with that, man. How many apes need to hodl in order to get the squeeze? Rod 1. I mean, all the apes need to hold because the day traders are not holding. Alan, thank you very much for the super chat, Alan. Grandson is having heart surgery as we speak. Let's get all these apes to pray for my grandson. Absolutely, Alan, man. Praying for your grandson that he's going to have a very textbook surgery. That he's not going to have any problems or complications. The doctor's hands are steady. They know exactly what they're doing. And then the recovery time is just far beyond any expectations that any of the doctors have, man. Amen. You're now my top 3 as well, ClayBro. No, y'all, come on! Am I at least number 1 or am I number 2? Blackjack Dealer, thank you for the super sticker. Guys, keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. When you're thinking about selling your shares of AMC, all you gotta do is remember, keep it up. Keep it up. Yes, Blackjack Dealer, thank you very much for that super sticker. I appreciate that, man. And Sergeant Vargas says, we are holding strong in Terrell, Texas. I just bought more AMC on the dip. Nice. Is it Terrell, Texas, number 1, or Terrell, Texas, number 2? Terrell is 2, Terrell is 1. We need to know. People, don't freak out because the thing is about to come down a lot. We'll be fine in the end. Just hold. This price means nothing. Matt, intraday's price action means nothing during the short squeeze. We have to make it. I like that, Blackjack. Me too. Thank you very much, Blackjack. Weights. Oh, yes. We've got the weights. Honestly, I hope it dips some more. I need more fuel for my rocket. LMAO. Justin Jones is going to be adding on those dips, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome, fellow apes. Welcome. Terrell, Texas. Terrell, Texas. Correct? Man, now I forget what number 2 was. I believe Terrell was number 1 and Terrell was number 2. So Terrell, Texas. Thank you very much for helping me on that one. Gonna buy more AMC and bring my share average down. Christopher Curdy, very good. Do you work in Citadel? Yes. How do you have access to the office if you don't mind me asking? David, I really, listen, David, I don't know if you think it's real or not, but I honestly, this is my living room. Okay, this is not Citadel's office. We joke that it is Citadel's waiting room because, you know, the shiplap on the wall here, and then the like waiting room style chairs. I'm not legitimately in Citadel's office, but we do joke that this is Citadel's waiting room. So I don't know if you were asking that for, like, I had to clear that up if you were honestly asking that question, but yes. Mysterious is back at it again with APTY. Easy does it. Thank you for another super chat there. Can the Hedge smell what the AMC is cooking? No, they can't. And then what's the face like? Can the Hedgie smell what AMC is cooking? I don't know. I don't know if that was the Rock's face or not. Please, nobody screenshot that and then put it side by side with the actual Rock face, because that was probably terrible. I don't know. Aurora. What? Clayho? No. ClayBro. Not Clayno. Not Clayho. ClayBro. It's almost over. Loki only has 1 episode left. Oh no! Dean, I have not watched any of them. What streaming network is that on? Just woke up in the entire market. Looks like a murder victim. What did I miss? Hopefully you live in California, dude, because it's kind of late if you're just waking up at 10:53. If you're on the East Coast and you're just waking up at 10:53, hopefully you work nights, or you live on the West Coast, because honestly, you didn't miss much, though, man. You didn't miss much. AMC was doing a lot worse, so you're probably pretty glad that you slept through that. Caesar! Disney Plus. Gotcha. Justin Jones, thank you very much for that. I did not know. Caesar! Thank you very much. Thank you for the super sticker. Caesar, thank you for the super sticker. Caesar, thank you for the super sticker. And one more time, guys, do it with me. Thank you for the super sticker. Caesar, thank you very much for that super sticker. I appreciate that one. That is a very good one. I don't know. I've only received that one a couple times, so thank you for the super sticker, Caesar. Now, I would love it if Clay wore a tight skeleton onesie. I do not have a tight skeleton onesie, but I do have a very tight Spider-Man costume. Members only chat on that one, guys. I'm telling you that right now. If that ever happens, it's going to be members only. Your face is going to get stuck like that permanently. LOL, John Smith. I hope not. That would be very weird. Somebody's nincompoops. Oh my goodness. The Hedges are just a bunch of jabronis. Nincompoops. They are, man. They're just a bunch of nincompoops, guys. You got a ClayBro. I like it, Aurora. I like it. Thank you for that. You just went down on my list, ClayBro. bad. Bad. I will tell you, Dean, though, that I really do not watch that much TV. I honestly don't watch that much TV, guys. And I do not have Disney Plus. I don't. I've got Netflix. Sorry, Dean. Sorry. I'll make it up one day. Trust me, I'm not going to go down on your list forever. Come on now. Why would I ever want to do that? I wouldn't. That would just not make sense at all. What are we doing here? All right, clearly we don't need this line anymore because it did not follow that trend. But, yeah, we're down 4.6% on the day. $43 per share. I guarantee. What are we just going to do? Trade in the channel the rest of the day now? He has a faux hawk. Yes, I do. A faux hawk. That is how you pronounce P-H-O. Think about it, guys. Not pho. It's faux. So, CNBC was saying that some hedge fund is betting against the market. Jun Hyuk Choi. Well, probably. Hedge funds do have a lot, like especially Citadel's got a lot of puts out on the S&P 500. So, think about that. They are betting against the market when you get a lot of puts out on the S&P 500. Thought hedge funds had to cover some of their positions today. God bless you. Even if they, listen, they always have to cover FTDs, right? Those are constantly being covered every single day. So I know a lot of you guys watch a lot of other channels who like to hype things up and tell you that something's guaranteed to happen because of this. But hedge funds constantly cover FTDs every single day. No way 58 close. I don't know, Sean. We might see it. Clay, what minute chart are you set up on? Junhook Choi. I prefer 5-minute charts, but we're just watching the 1-minute chart right now, man, because it's a little bit... Oh, I don't know. When you're sitting here watching it all day long during the stream, it just makes a little bit more sense to watch it on a 1-minute chart so you can see what's happening and go on with that. But I prefer a 5-minute chart. That was the only one they mentioned. S&P 500. Yeah, I would imagine. They are short. They got a lot of puts out on the SP. 43 is the resistance. I think we hit 44 and we fly. We fly good today. Let's do it, Courtney. I had resistance. Well, let's see where we're at here. 43 might be some intraday resistance. Let's see what we look back on the hour chart. Down on this hour chart, aren't we? Yeah, we've got some resistance in that $42 to $43 range. So we might be trading in a tight channel here for a while. But just as long as we don't sustain a level below 40 is good. If we do, I'd be nervous about hitting 30, guys. Not trying to scare anybody, but if we sustain a move below 40, I would be not nervous, but I would be looking for a move towards 30. Just based on technicals. I don't know where that Chipmunk's at, dude. He must be full. Blackjack Dealer, have you been on something interesting data as of late, I must say? You've been on to something interesting. You've been on to something interesting data as of late, I must say. Maybe. Wells Fargo just shut down all personal lines of credit. Ooh. Nice, little buddy. That's Chipbro. You know how I know? Because he's stuffing his face with seeds and he's not eating them. Littletail would be eating them right now. And he's like, don't look at me. What are you doing looking at me eating? That's just rude. Should we give him some more? I imagine he's got some more over there. I don't think he fit all those in his mouth. Chipbro high. Yes, Chipbro came back. I do want to see Little... You guys are going to get a kick out of Littletail, though. Because Littletail actually eats them. If he jumps in here, Littletail actually eats them. And that's... I mean, it's more interesting to watch, I think, than just shoving them in the cheeks real quick and leaving. But I feel bad for Littletail, man. He doesn't eat as much. Finally, been a while since I've seen Chipbro. I know, Caesar. Isn't it crazy? Who was asking me earlier if I was talking about a cat. Was that Terrence? I don't know who that was. I don't know if they're still in here or not. I haven't seen their name in a while. So what is it I hear about shorts? We'll have to cover sometime in August. Now, y'all. You see, Brett, you see how rumors spread, man? Dude, it was a joke that shorts have to cover in August, but Brett asked me how many pull-ups I can do. I said the most I've ever done without coming off the bar was 30. He said, when will shorts cover? I said, in the future. He said, okay, well, my due diligence says that shorts will cover 30 days into the future. And that is August 7th. It's a Saturday, so we're going to miss out on it, but it's what happens. Courtney loves the chip, bro, Cam. Oh, yeah. I'm guessing the line of credit halt is because some people are taking loans to buy AMC. My sister took out a loan to get AMC at $20. Oh, my God. Sergeant, your sister's a very risky lady. Come on now. Taking a loan out to buy AMC? FTDs are not shorts. Jun Hyuk Choi. Well, FTDs can be a result of shorts, but you are correct. An FTD is a fail to deliver. It simply means that something happened and either the shares did not get delivered into your account or you did not deliver the money to the account that you bought it from. Now, whether that was on your end, the seller's end, or somebody in between messing the transaction up, yeah, you're correct on that one. Squirrels in Brooklyn drink 40 ounce and eat pizza, no nuts. It's not a squirrel. Okay, I know you've seen a chipmunk before, man. It is not a squirrel. It is a chipmunk, and he eats sunflower seeds. Holy smoke. Yeah, I know. Now, y'all. It's crazy, isn't it? Ah, you guys. Yeah, really, shorts don't have to cover until National Squeeze Day on October 3rd. Oh. You could also say that, yes. It's very likely that they cover on August 7th, but they don't have to cover until National Squeeze Day on October 3rd. Alright, well, there's clearly no more seeds over there. Let me go get him some before he goes in my kitchen and tries to find some seeds. Come on, bud, I got some more. Alright, we are back. We are back in action. Not a squirrel. No, it is definitely not a squirrel. This is his name, Alvin, Simon, or Theodore. It is Chipbro. The chat has officially named him Chipbro. Very cute chipmunk. David, thank you. Isn't it hilarious how I can just sit here and scream and the chipmunk doesn't care? Like, he just knows by now. Like, oh, that dude's just over there screaming on the computer. Yeah. It's not a dead squirrel, guys. It's not. Why did you lose my camera? Stop texting me, people. Don't text me. Do you know how much fine is for an FTD? No, Gap. I do not know. There's no way he ate all those. I put a lot down there. I think he'll come back in one more round, and then I'll have to go put some more. He's back. Yeah, he was back. Dude, he lives in a hole right outside the door under the patio, and he just goes and buries them and then comes right back in. So, Chippendale Rescue Rangers. Courtney. I like it. Chippendale is an awesome show. Someone put something together yesterday about 7/14 being Bastille Day and World Chimp Day and something else, so the squeeze has to start then. Was it serious? If they put that together and it has to start, these people, they come up with everything, don't they? You people are so silly. It's not a squirrel. It's clearly a little cute little rat. Crypto Rocketeer is not a rat, man. What's up, Crypto Rocketeer? Glad you're in here, man. It is not a rat. It is a chipmunk. His name is Chipbro. I believed it for a while, too. Don't worry. They are liars. Oh, my goodness. My darling is just believing everything out there. Crypto. No, he said a cute little rat. It's not a cute little rat. It is a chipmunk, guys. I'm telling you. It is a chipmunk. His name is Chipbro. I call him Chicken of the Tree. It's like Chicken of the Sea, guys, but these are the Chicken of the Trees. Oh my gosh. Jay, what's up? Jay, how are you doing? It's a dog. It is not a dog. It's a chipmunk. You're a chipmunk, right, Chipbro? Yes. You're a chipmunk, right? Dude just stuffs his face, doesn't he? Acts like he's never had more. Acts like he's never gonna get any more seeds. I guarantee he's out now. He's probably gonna go roam my house. So give me a second. Oh yeah, you want more? I'm coming with more. It's all right. I know. Yeah, I know, bud. You always want more. He was standing outside his hole, outside, looking at me like, are you going to get me any more, man? Oh, they don't have chipmunks in Brooklyn. Only killer squirrels. Dang, man. You need some chipmunks in Brooklyn. I missed the shout-outs. Did you end up doing it? Jay, when? Last night or when? Because I didn't do anything last night. My phone died. The live stream yesterday, if that's what you're talking about. Could have swore it was something ridiculous, like 10 grand per FTD. I don't know if it's that much, but if it could be if they don't cover the FTD. Chipbro. Oh yes, Courtney. Oh yes, that's what they decided to call him, Chipbro. Hey Clay, do you like crypto? Do I like cryptos? If so, which ones? Yeah, Pete. I've got currently I've got Ravencoin and Zcash. I like those, but I also like. I mean, I think Dogecoin's gonna be a nice volatile coin for a while, and you can make some decent money on that. But also Ethereum, and I don't know, dude. I'm not gonna say anything about like SafeMoon or whatever. People made a lot of money on those for a while, but I don't think those are gonna be long-term coins. It's a chicken chip. Trust me, I'm a zoologist. Dev, you are not a zoologist, and it is not a chicken chip. It is a chipmunk. Chipro, where's my sandwich? I know. He wants seeds all day long. Chipmunks in Prospect Park in Brooklyn. Nicholas, there you go. Letting Courtney know that there are chipmunks in Prospect Park in I would assume Brooklyn. I don't know, but yes. Where's Ravencoin? You can mine Ravencoin. What are you looking at, dude? What are you looking at? I swear he's looking at himself. Hey, this might be Littletail. Either that or he's just watching himself eat. This is nice. Yeah, that's Littletail, guys. That's Littletail. This is a different chip. I swear to you, if Chipro jumps in the house right now. No! No. No. You gotta go outside. No, go. Gotta go outside. Yep. There you go. Yeah, I knew that was gonna happen. Dude, I knew it was gonna happen. Chipro does not like Littletail. Oh my gosh. Dude, I'm telling you, Chipro does not like Littletail. I didn't see what they did on the screen here. I watched him jump in over there. Oh, man. Poor Littletail. Chipro's a bully. Dude, I don't know if Chipro's a bully or not, but he is certainly dominant when it comes to any sort of territory. He does not let Littletail in the house. He does not let Littletail eat anywhere. Like, he runs him off everywhere. Oh, my gosh. And look, Chipro is back at it again. He's like, these are my seeds. And we knew it was... Littletail has to be hungry, guys. You know Littletail has to be hungry. Because look at this chipmunk right here. This chipmunk just stuffs his face and takes him back to his burrow. Littletail eats the seeds. So, you know Littletail's got to be hungry. It's a Citadel Squirrel trying to steal your shares. Mr. Mexican Boss, it might be. I did it as a joke. I don't like Biden. I would change it back next week. Very good, darling. Good morning, Coleman. Good morning, Coleman. I don't know who Coleman is. Coming soon to AMC Theaters, Chipbro versus Littletail. That was about to get dangerous because the last thing I need is those dudes that chase each other around the house. That's the last thing I need. But I'm glad that they didn't go that far. They kind of Littletail just kind of went over the under the desk over there, and then went back. All right, man. I don't know if I missed something. Somebody said that Chipmunk working for Citadel. That's funny. Yeah, it could be a spy. I don't know. Maybe Littletail's a spy. That's why he's a little squirmish. So since I broke my leg and I have to deal with orthopedic docs, a bunch of guys that seem to be either ex-military or sports medicine guys, they call unit the Ortho Bros. I like it, Terrence. I like it. Tell them to join the ClayBro channel and they could become a bro. Maybe if you put some in a bowl with Littletail's name on it, Chipbro will respect that. It's Neo Wolf. I like that idea, man. 2 separate bowls. Chipbro and Littletail right there. You might be onto something, Neo Wolf. I'm going to have to get Chipbro and Littletail bowls. Chipbro is shorting his seeds. Yeah, I think Chipbro might be just stocking up on his seeds so that he can short them all winter long. Yeah, I see that. What a perfect analogy. Littletail is Hedgies and Chipbro is the apes. Give me my tendies. Sergeant Beef. It might be like that, but I do feel bad because if Littletail was just like doing the same thing and grabbing seeds and leaving, I wouldn't be as concerned. But the fact that he eats like every seed that I put out and he doesn't put any in his cheeks and take them back, I feel like the dude has to be hungry. Because this guy, Chipbro, barely eats any of the seeds. He might eat one if it's like halfway open, but Littletail always eats it. He never stores it. Since you can email and check it out, I think you should share it with everyone. Oh, sent you an email. Sorry, Nick. All right, I'll check that out, man. That's a hired squirrel trying to hit the sell button on your computer. Mr. Mexican boss. It might be a hired squirrel just slowly working his way in. He's looking at all my devices. He's like, should I push it on the tablet? Should I push it on the phone? Should I push it on the computer? What am I going to do here? Which device is going to be accessible? Yeah, he might be, Kenneth. He might be, but I feel bad. Like I feel like he's constantly hungry, and that's why he doesn't store any of his seeds. So, and plus he is smaller. Good morning, Clay. How's your morning going? Have a wonderful day. Cookie! The morning is going great. I hope you also have a wonderful day. And how's your day going? Is it going pretty well? I hope it is. Let's see what we got going on here. Anything? No. Let's see if we get a nice channel coming in. I don't want to draw many more lines on the screen right now. We'll just leave it. Rody Abe, thank you. Decided to transfer Robinhood to my Webull. Cost $75. If I just did instant deposit of $75, is it safe to initiate transfer or wait a day for it to clear? Rody, I don't know how much you got, man. If you have $2,000 in your account, they're gonna waive that $75 fee. But I don't know, man. I would just wait for everything to clear. I don't know. It's probably fine to do it, but I would just play it on the safe side if you're that worried about it. Chatty says, Clay, can we get your mom on the live? Chatty Trader, I don't know. She might be listening right now, so she actually might be in here. If you're talking about getting her on screen, I don't know if she would want to do that, but I've experience in this. John Smith has experience in this. Good. John Smith, share your experience in this, please. Help somebody out with the transfer there, if that's what you're talking about. I have 415 shares of AMC, but had no cash. Okay, so let's see. If you don't do a total share transfer out of Robinhood, they won't charge you anything. Well, that might, if you're looking at that, Rody, you might want to take John's advice there, but if you're looking to transfer everything, okay. But he says if you don't do a total share transfer out of Robinhood, they won't charge you anything. In the film, the Big Short guy goes, I need to call my mom after he realizes what's about to go down. Who's your I need to call? Dev. That's a good question, man. That's a good question. I think it would probably depend on what's going down. I think it would probably depend on what's going down, man. If I was like, yeah, I need to call mom, she might be like, what now? Mm-hmm. It just all depends on, because you can kind of anticipate the reaction that you're gonna get. Like if you call mom, you call dad, you call like it just you can kind of anticipate what's going on there. So I guess it would depend on what kind of response I wanted, depending on who I called. Clay, I meant on screen, chatty. I missed what you said then, man. I missed what you said. Oh, on screen, yeah. Well, I don't know, man. I don't know if she would want to do that or not. Can we have a green day? Yes. Another turning point, a fork stuck in the road. Wake me up when September ends. Wait, where are you going? Alright, he obviously wants some more, so we're going to go grab him some more. Everybody, I hope all is well, and when you can come back to us, love. Yes! JK, my boss is awesome and would be thrilled. First, we'll call my boss not to quit, just to let him know I can. Nice. Oh, yeah, you're probably still hungry, aren't you? I know you are. Alright, we are back. Green Day, nice. Somebody wanted a Green Day, so we got some Green Day. Ah, you're welcome. John Smith, thank you very much. Just did it a few weeks ago, and it works. Good deal. 1.1 million return, 2.15 million borrowed today. I like the numbers, NT. I like the numbers. Why? Because it means that they're potentially digging that hole even deeper. What's up with Spider-Man mug? OT! What do you mean what's up with the Spider-Man mug, dude? Like it, right? Don't you like it? I like the Spider-Man mug, man. Oh, you like it too. Come on now. $43. I bought the contracts. Courtney! Very nice. I'm having a great start of my day. Cookie. I see the Spider-Man mug, but I gotta say, I'm excited to get to bedtime story time. Everybody is always excited for bedtime story time now. Come on. I guess I'll just keep a share or two in there and use the $75 for another. Ooh, slick. Roadie. Guys, that's an ape right there. That's a true bro. He's going to keep a share or two in Robinhood and use the $75 that he saves to buy a couple more shares of AMC. Sick move, man. Sick move. The Spider-Man mug holds coffee. Yes, it does. Brett, thank you for answering. OT. I appreciate that. I had to make sure that I got there. Sometimes I was worried too, but when I did a partial transfer and selected all AMC shares and keep the under a share left to keep the account active. Nice. John Smith, thank you very much for helping out with that question there, since you've had some recent experience with it. What are you looking at, man? What are you looking at? What do you... Who the heck knows what he's looking at? Like... There's got to be something out that window. Very interesting. How deep can they go? Sean. Not as deep as we can go, my friend. Not as deep as we can go. Because we will have live customer service. Kim, hey, like to call on the phone, I actually don't know. But yeah, you can email him for sure. Thinking you will come back to steal the food. Jay, possibly. But he knows by now that I'm his friend. No, I don't know if he was looking at me or not. Oh my god, I meant super innocent. I didn't see what Cookie said. I missed it. He's looking at the dip, wanting to get some more shares. Rudy, possibly. 420 end of day. Brother man Ben, let's see it. My bedtime stories are the cutest ever. Don't mess with the Spider-Man mug. It rocks. Yes, darling. It does rock. I like the Spider-Man mug. I hope that you guys like it as well. But what does it mean the stocks on Robinhood and transfer the rest to avoid fees? Or does that mean I should have the stocks? PDP, man. It could. If you're thinking about transferring over from Robinhood to Webull, if you want to keep some stocks on Robinhood and transfer some over to Webull, might be a strategy to use. Look at the question I asked, just a little higher, Clay, please. $43. I bought contracts. That's the last one I saw, Courtney. Talking about the contracts you bought. If you're gonna do it again. Just copy and paste it, man. I didn't see it up there. If they didn't get margin called at 77, why would they have it on the 40s or 50s? Exactly, Chase. Why would they have it on the 40s or 50s if they didn't get margin called at 77? What up, Clay? Sorry, and I'm not just saying that. I'm just saying. What up, Clay? Sorry if everybody touched on this. Can you clear up the whole 2.5 million FTDs thing going on for July, going around for July 8th? Yeah, Julius, man. Here's the deal. Failed to delivers are constantly being rectified and fixed every day. It's not just like today. It's not just because it's on the threshold securities list. It's not just it's because something's going on now that wasn't going on before. It happens every single day. There's failed to delivers that are out there every day, and those are always covered. Now, and you can't even assume that all of the FTDs are going to be rectified today. They may have been doing that all along, and they might just be clearing up some additional FTDs that are out there that haven't been cleared up yet. And even if they did, like let's say that there are 15 million FTDs out there, and some of them, let's say 90% of them were on the seller side. And they went out and they rectified all of those today. And they increased volume by 10 million shares, 12 million shares. We had 8 million shares coming in the very beginning, the very first minute of the day. 8 million shares were traded. So 10 million increased volume, like increased demand, is not going to rocket the price the way we would want it to rocket the price. I actually have a personal Spider-Man poster next to my bed. Very nice. I have a personal Spider-Man pillowcase that I use every night. Princess named Cookie, and evil Ken Griffin looked from his citadel and saw she had shares he wanted. What happens? I need to know the rest of this story, Brett. Continue on, please. Do you think we will squeeze before 2022? Ois and Boyd, I hope so, but I don't know if we will. When the market crashes, do you believe there will actually be consequences this time? As in, will there be Wall Street or big sharks going to prison instead of getting bailed out with our money? No. I don't think we're going to have some big consequences if the market crashes again. Is that Little Tail? That looks like Little Tail. I think that might be Little Tail. Yep, that's Little Tail. No, it's Chipbro. I was like, I think that's Little Tail looking out for Chipbro, but it's Chipbro probably looking out for Little Tail, saying, stay away from me. I'm just missing the... Oh, that one's in the cupboard. I watched that one yesterday or the day before. You have to go to sleep. We'll read the rest of the bit. Oh, come on, Brett. I don't want to go to sleep. I want the rest of the story. Cody says, okay, let me get back to my question. LOL I bought 4 contracts at 43. Now got a total of 10, but 6 is at 52 for August 20th. Does that sound decent to you? Plus all my shares, of course. Oh, yeah, dude. 52 for August 20th. I think you're going to make some money on those. I mean, those contracts sound like they might be more expensive than some other ones. But, yeah, I think you could hit on those. I think you could end in the money on those, no problem. You guys, 42 to 52, that's not even... we're right there anyway. I think, and I don't know if you plan on exercising those, if you plan on selling them, or what you plan on doing with them, but I think that you can make some decent money on them, man. How many chipmunks are there in your backyard? 2 that come in the house, Rudy. Is that your pet? 1. I mean, technically, no, he lives outside, but he comes in to eat. Is It's still royalty, though, so they find out they're actually second cousins. I need to know more. Brett, I need to know more. I need to know it now. The story is called Kentucky Royals. Oh my god, Brett. Best prince and princess story I've ever heard. Yes. Oh, what is this one now? I missed Brett's previous comment there. Alright, one more chapter. The squeeze starts and Prince Clay kisses Prince Cookie. Uh-oh. But then he finds out it's still royalty, though, so they find out they're actually second cousins. I don't know where this is going, but I like it. Boom, boom, boom. You missed a chapter. I did. I did miss a chapter, man. Squirrels remind me of upstate New York, and now I'm in Texas with big bugs. Ooh, Littletail. See him? Chipbro's got a pointier nose, doesn't he? Ah, Chipbro stole all his seeds. What's up, buddy? He's coming over here. What's up, buddy? You want some more? Oh, Chipbro didn't leave you anything, did he? Oh, here. I can get some more for you. Can't believe he didn't leave you any. Actually, I can't believe it. Chipbro didn't leave anything for anybody. Come on, bud. Come on back. Alright. We had Littletail in the house. Yes, I really enjoy Clay looks at the Chipmunks. Well, I really enjoy the Chipmunks. I'd be hitting golf balls back there for sure. Well, you can hit some golf balls back there if you want. I'm going to make that Chipmunk fat, bro. Possibly Jun Hyuk Choi. When you get that email, I expect friend framed behind you. Now I'm interested, Nick. Now I'm interested. Nice backyard. We don't see backyards like that here in California. Jesse, thank you very much. I appreciate that. I don't know why you don't see backyards like that in California. I'm sure they got backyards in California. I love you, care for the critters. Christina, thank you very much. Clay's such a kind soul. All jokes aside, he will always have Cookie's corazon. Yes, well, I don't know if I will for forever or not, but a Cookie corazon. I like it. It's official. Transfer initiated. Thanks for the help, y'all. Rhodey. Very nice, man. Very nice. Alright, let's see what we got going on. Anything? AMC still trading sideways. Nothing going on there. Littletail. Littletail, come on back. And I don't know why Brittany's name is still up at the top. Like, I know people have subscribed since then. I think Streamlabs is just slow. Let's put this back on now. Yeah, I don't know why it's 2 days old. You need some landscaping, lighting for those trees? Holler, that's what I do. Jun Hyuk Choi. What would you recommend, man? What would you recommend? Because you can't see it. I'll show you. You can't see it. But, like, well, it doesn't help when I point. But right outside that patio door is like a little brick patio. Rounded edges. What do you recommend for some landscape lighting, man? Let me know. Hook me up. My Streamlabs wasn't pushing subs last night either. It's very strange, Matt. I'm not sure what the issue is. I'm going to look into it tonight. Yeah, because it hasn't done anything in 2 days. Like, I don't see any super chats on here. I don't see any subscribers, any members on here. It's 2 days ago is the last thing I got. I would grow in your backyard. You would grow what, dude? Like, you would grow up in my backyard? You need some well lights for those trees. Well lights. Okay, I'll have to look into well lights. Where do you put them? You put them in the mulch bed, or what do you do with the well lights? I don't want to hit them with a mower. You can use strip lighting for the patio part or some path lights. All right. Larson says, Clay, bro, hope you're having a good day so far. I am. Man, Little Tail needs to eat, shit, bro. Come on. I am having a good day so far, Larson. I hope you are as well. Want growing all over and stuff. Dude, I don't know what he's growing. Like, just growing up. Mulch bed, they shoot up. Put him in the mulch bed. Gotcha. Like one on each tree or what? Oh, yeah, Chipro, just stuff in your face, man. Leave it all for Little Tail there, huh? It would grow a lot of fruits. Oh, nice, Juan. Very good. I don't have any fruits or vegetables growing in the backyard right now. Sup, guys? What's going on, Patrick? How are you? Should start a betting pool on how long Rody's transfer takes. 3 to 7 days, figure 8, because Robinhood sucks. I got 5 days. The average that I see for Robinhood to Weeble is 5 days. Put one between the trees. Okay. Just one in between each tree. I like it, man. So not like in front of each tree. Just one in between each tree. Sounds like it might be a good idea. Dude, would you do solar lights, or would you like get some lights that actually need to be landscaped and wired in? You need a pool. Luca, I know I need a pool. Dude, honestly, I thought about putting a pool in. Yesterday was so hot, dude. I thought about putting a pool in for sure, but I just don't know if I will. So if you have 3 trees, 2 lights. I think there's 6 trees. I got 5 spaces in between. There's a couple more that you can't see. I think there's 6 trees there. Actually, I don't know if there's like 5 spaces in between the trees. So those couple of those look like they get 2 peaks, but I don't know if that. I would probably consider that one tree. Solar lights? No, solar lights for the well lights that he's talking about there. Need a pool. It's 11:30 a.m. for me. It's 11:30 a.m. for me as well. If you ever dye your hair green, you should get a Green Goblin coffee mug. OT. Don't know if I'll ever dye my hair green, but I like the way you think, man. I did trenches, use wiring, and buy the wiring. I dig trenches. Well, yeah, because I got some lights already that I could use, man. I've got what I believe to be these well lights that I could use, but I would need to do the wiring on it. I used to build pools. Horizon, you got any ideas on a good pool for the backyard, man? Just a nice small one. So you can see on the backyard, the backyard slopes, but basically right where the bottom of the patio door cuts off, you can't see it anymore. It's like all flat right there. So I could put a pool back there. But dude, give me a good idea of like a pool. Is it hard to build a pool? Are you in Ohio? Yes, JG Lee. I am in Ohio. Do you think Chipro knows he's a star? Brett, I think he does, man. That's why he turns his back on the camera. He's like, oh my god, the paparazzi's watching me eat again. I just thought of something really stupid. You know how a lot of people have, and you know, I know you've seen it. The dodo or whatever is, YouTube is promoting the crap out of that chipmunk that they call Charlie, and that girl's like, come here, Charlie. And the chipmunk comes over, and then he's jealous. What are you doing? I know you've seen that video of that chipmunk Charlie where she feeds him like when he gets jealous, he just won't eat. Well, Chipro will just attack whatever he's jealous of. But I was watching him eat there, and I'm like, oh, I should do like a chipmunk ASMR channel where the chipmunk just sits there and crunches on those nuts. People would really like that. That would be like a combination of the best of both worlds for people who like to listen to people eat. No, brother man Ben, a dodo. Natalie says those are Thuja Green Giant or Bovortes. Okay, whatever the kind of tree that might be. Yes, they might be that. I have no idea. Also, Clay, if bears came in the backyard, would you feed them in the stream as well? Absolutely. Caesar, we don't really have bears in Ohio, but there has been some sightings of some bears, of some black bears recently, and I will 100%, I am telling you, I will 100% feed that bear if he walks in my backyard. You better believe it. And I will definitely feed him on stream by my hand. Shipping container pools. Ooh. Drop the shipping container into the ground. That's not a bad idea, John Hook Choi. That sounds really easy, man. Horizon, you agree with that? Is shipping container pool a thing? Because that sounds like a really easy idea to me. Come on, bud. I know you want some more. Where you at? I don't know where you're at, dude. I know you want some more. I've seen a black bear in Texas. Careful, you might end up feeding it your hand. Neil Wolf. Hey, man. It's worth the risk, right? How many people can say they hand fed a black bear? Not many people. Say it with me. Arborvitaes. 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 It's like diabetes, but arborvitaes. Did I say it right? Arborvitaes? Or arborvitaes? Now, I don't know. Arborvitaes? Arborvitaes. Second, Rocket is in the chat. We were wondering where Rocket was. My goodness, glad he's in here. If it's black bear, feed it honey. Grizzly, feed it salmon. Polar, feed it Coke. I'm going to have to go with honey then. I do have a lot of honey here. Hurts when I pee. Trace, don't go pee, man. Ohio has two things. Field and back roads. And recently fell into an economic depression after LeBron left Cleveland Cavaliers. Possibly. Not vi, like lie. Arborvitaes. Natalie, the trees are arborvitaes? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what I'm saying here? The trees are arborvitaes? Trace, maybe. Say it with me. O, R, tan, R, psi, am. What? I'll kick a bear. No, Sergeant, you will not be doing that. You will be feeding the bear just like you feed the chipmunk. And then the chipmunk can have friends with the bear. There you go. Yes. Arborvitaes. My trees are arborvitaes. Why do you know that? Natalie is the tree lady. We've got a tree lady in the chat, ladies and gentlemen, and she knows that those trees right there are arborvitaes. Now I feel like I'm on an episode of Criminal Minds, and Natalie's looking at the trees in my backyard, and she's like, arborvitaes, home to so many regions in the Ohio area. We are narrowing down where Clay lives right now because of the soil. And next she's going to be looking at the compounds in my soil. Yes, there's a elevated level of nitrogen in the soil surrounding these arborvitaes, which would produce the double budding system that we see on the top of these trees. Therefore, Clay must live here. Am I on an episode of Criminal Minds right now? Like, is that what's happening? Clay, I need to tell my assistant Caleb to get off his phone. Thanks. Oh, I need to tell him. Caleb, come on, dude. Only Matt Perry can be on his phone during work hours. What are you doing on your phone right now? Here's the deal, though. Matt Perry, if he just got his phone out to click subscribe onto the channel, it's all good. Any other reason? Nope. But, Caleb, are you in the chat right now? If you're in the chat, Caleb, you can stay on your phone, but you got to let us know that you're in the chat right now. I call those trees Grinch fingers. Nick. That is a much more technical term than arborvitaes. I landscaped when I was not working as a nurse. Gotcha. Not that deep, I promise. Now I understand, Natalie. She likes the arborvitaes. Based on the position of those clouds, Clay must be here. You ever scratch your and smell it? Juan, a little weird. Rocket is retracting messages. He's taking one from M. James's playbook. Those conifers aren't natural. They were planted. Ooh. Interesting. And the plot thickens. Nice green chipmunk tail on the chart right now. Perfect. Well, this is a nice green chipmunk tail. This is a nice green chipmunk tail. But we need some more green chipmunk tails onto the chart here. So Let's get to it. Let's get to it. To it. No, I just plant a lot of those trees for clients, for privacy screens. Nothing criminal. That's kind of what these are. That's kind of what those are, I would say. Like right around the patio. The chipmunk making me act up, Clay. Chatty trader. All right. Acting up. That's what it's all about right here. All right, what do we got here? Let's see. Let's see how everybody else is doing. If anybody else is streaming on AMC right now. Let's find out, right? And incognito. Got it. Let's see if we rank anywhere. AMC live. Good. All right, 28,000 people watching Matt. Andrew Mo Money's got 2.6 thousand. 700 people watching Galactic Finance and 100 watching me. Man, Galactic Finance, this is just a 19-year-old kid is killing it. Let's pull his live up here. Let's see what he's got going on. 342 likes. How many likes do I have right now? Probably not 342, right? Maybe I need to put that I'm not a financial advisor at the bottom of my live stream, and then more people will watch me. Sold my free Tesla at 10-cent gain for more AMC. Nice, Neo Wolf. Did you win a free share of Tesla? You get your phone fixed? Rocket. No, not yet, but I don't know what's going on. I kept it in a bag of rice for like an hour and a half last night and this morning. I don't know if I need more time or if it's just literally something stupid with it, but it still says that it will not charge, and I can guarantee you there is no moisture in there. Like, I took a flashlight, and there was nothing in it last night. There was no dust or anything like that. I took a flashlight and a safety pin and looked around for any sort of dust or nothing. Nothing there. Is your tablet charged, Clay? Yes, 86% on the tablet. And it says there's moisture, but I know there's no moisture in there. Fresh Prince says, is right now a time to put in a call option since this may rise soon, and what the best way to go about it to get 100 shares? Fresh Prince, yeah, man. I mean, you could do a call option if you want, but here's the deal. I don't know. If you're looking for a strike price to buy 100 shares at, what can you afford 100 shares at? You got to look into that. Plug in a PC, master, reset. It won't even, it won't plug into anything. Absolutely nothing. And I don't want to do a factory reset on that. I want to try some other stuff before I do that. I don't want to factory reset it. I factory reset it probably 3 months ago. That was a nightmare. But, yeah, it won't even plug into the computer or anything. Just anything that goes in the charging port goes bling, 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 bling. And like an error, and it just doesn't stop till you unplug it. Always watch your stream naked. Juan, very nice, man. Even in the afternoons. I don't know if you do it in the afternoons. Do you ever get dressed? AMC will balance Mansoor. We sure hope so, right? That's what we're waiting for. Can you collab with Grandpa AJ Ingram? Chris, should I? I haven't. Does he still post videos? Get the charger that you sit on the... Yeah, Billy, that's what I've been using, man. I've been using the wireless charger because I can't plug it into anything. You just don't have those problems with the iPhone. I know, if your charging port was wet, your phone would just die. This dude is looking at something out there, and I don't know what he's so concerned about. Chipbro, what are you concerned about, man? Why do you keep looking outside? You're just going to eat all of them. You're not even going to let Little Tail in, are you? Yeah, I know it. Kind of strange, Juan. Kind of strange, Juan. Just a little bit, but hey, man, maybe. Cash App said I've been doing so good investing. They gave me $5 worth of Tesla free. Basically gave me $5 free, and I bought Tesla. And bought the Tesla, but since I sold it my first everyday trade. Nice, Neo Wolf. Very nice. What? Yeah. Clay, do you think it's a good time to options trade AMC share bond on the dark? Clay, do you think that now is a good time option trade AMC share bond on the dark pool? Chatty, no. Now is not a good time to do something weird like that. Just stuffing those cheeks, Chippy. I know. Chippy needs to calm down. Alright. Yeah, this dude, I want to see this guy's chat. Because Galactic Finance certainly has a lot of people in here. Why can't I read his chat? Oh, there's his chat. American Virtual, what are you doing in Galactic Finance's chat right now? Come on. This is going to be interesting. If I see anybody over there that actually I know, we're going to have to call them out, aren't we? Bouncing them at BRB. All right, living free. Make sure to come back. Well, listen, we're going to be here for another 15 minutes. So if you want to come back, come back. Agent Jack Stone, what is going on, man? How are you doing? Got to mortgage my attention and manage my attention in BP. All right. Gabe, do you want to ask you a question about T+2? Gabe, ask a question, man. Waiting for my 7 to 10. Dude, how does he have 750 people in the chat, but nobody's typing? What are those people doing there? Are they all bots? How does he literally have 750 people, but nobody's typing? Clay, I'm joking. I mean, no. I know anything that absurd. I know you'd have to be joking on it. Clay, my phone still has buttons. I have to press 1 3 times to type a C. It's T9, man. Yeah. Well, now I know this guy needs more seeds. So, give me a second. I'm gonna go get that guy some seeds. This might be your last round of seeds, dude, for the morning. You might have to come back in the afternoon, okay? Give me 1 second. Alright, so what do we got here? Juan, and you haven't even seen it. Juan has not seen something. Yes. I'm actually watching this on my TI-84 graphing calculator from math class. Brett is a genius. AMC's going to be green soon. I sure hope so. Clay, AMC testing me, making me think it's going to go green today. Jay, it very well could. Definitely get more views if you have a bear in your backyard. Possibly OT, but I do not have a bear in the backyard at the moment. Only a chipmunk. I'll have to book a flight, Cookie. Juan, you're going to have to book a flight. What is this back and forth going on between Juan and Cookie in the chat right now? I see that comment up there, Juan. Come on now. Come on now. Alright. Did Chipmunk come in? I didn't even notice if he came in or not. Man, a lot of these people, I'm watching Galactic Finance's chat right now. A lot of these people are just, they stay upset. Flights to Ohio. Let's get some flights to Ohio, guys. Come on. You can probably get some good deals. Why? Because nobody wants to fly to Ohio. I'm telling you, Luca. I'm telling you. I gotta tell you, if anybody needs like, I know you can't give financial advice, but you can give life advice, okay? And take your life advice directly from Luca. Find yourself a bad mamacita and travel post-squeeze. There you go. Also, what's going on here? This looks really good to me. 45. We are green, ladies and gentlemen. We are green. You know why we're green? Because we're going to be going to lunch soon. And it always goes up when I get offline. You guys remember when people were crying this morning when it was at $39 and now we've already gone back up like 12%? Yeah. Sergeant's got them diamonds. Oh, yeah. We are green on the day. I hate flying. Do not fly unless you have your own license. Not travel advice. Yeah, not travel advice over there. Let's go! Man, I can't believe that. I don't understand why people... never mind. I do understand. It's alright. One day we will get some viewers in here. It'll be okay. Let's see. Let's see what Mr. Mo Money's got going on. Jay Lee says he didn't sell in Mo Money's chat. That's weird. Dude, I'm kind of glad, though, that we don't have all these people in here that are just spamming Rockets in the chat right now. Unless you're actually saying Rocket's name. But a lot of these people's chat is just people spamming emojis. Like, it's not that cool. I'm buying Viagra. Like, all of it or just one pill? One cookie we need to link up. LinkedIn is a good place to link up. You can't leave now, man. Jay, I know you will bring bad mojo if you leave for lunch. No, I bring good mojo. It knows it's ripping. Look at this, dude. It's going off the chart. Literally off the chart. Look at that run. Yowza. Like, some good action, guys. 43 to 46, almost 10% just in the last half hour. Well, I've never seen green candles like that. I know, Doc Airline. It's beautiful, isn't it? What's up, everyone? What's up, Ricardo? How are you doing? Oh, man. All women want to meet up with guys that inquire about their booty online. Brett, it is true. I don't know why I didn't think of that before. I should have inquired sooner, shouldn't I? I saw 46, 46.21. Rocket, I'm hiding in your DMs. I gotta admit, I feel warm and cozy. Ooh, yes. Guys, are we gonna hit 50? Are we gonna hit 50 before I get back from lunch? I need to feel warm and cozy. Nice. I feel warm and cozy too. I can never bring up like somebody else's stream. And it sucks because the Wi-Fi just lags. Dean says, yeah. Take it, hedge funds. Just take it. Change your pick to a woman and Juan will want to fly out to see you. CJS. That's a good idea. What's up, buddy? Yeah, you watching AMC go higher too? Posting those little chipmunk tails? Yes, you are. Man, dude acts like he's never going to get another seed with how fast he puts those in his mouth. Like, I promise, I'll give you more seeds, dude. I promise you'll get more seeds. We have liftoff, ladies and gentlemen. Something cooking. AMC and GME climbing. Ooh, what's going to happen? I'm a large. For an Asian. Well, good, Dean. Good. It's always good to be a large Asian. And we green. We are green, Mad Medic. Oh, yes. It's actually looking very nice on the day now. Remember, man, I just love it. People were so scared earlier, but now we're looking very good. We bounced off that level of support at 40 beautifully. Yeah, I like it. I like it. It broke back up out of that downtrend now, and now we might see push to the upside. I hope we do. Average is 5'8". I'm about 6, so larger than average 2. That's what we're talking about, right? Absolutely. That is what we're talking about if we were talking about size. Not large in his portfolio. Right, Dean. Okay, good, because my candle is very small. That's a very large candle, actually, there, Brett. I'm seeing the candle, and it's very large. I just remember they pushed us down to 38 today. This is AMC! This is AMC, guys. We're back up to 46 right now. RSI is hot. Yeah, I'm sure it is. It's probably an overbought territory for sure right now. Oh my gosh, Maddie, the pick. Haha, nice face tattoos. Oh, yes, nice face tattoos, Mr. Perry. What's Buncher? Do you think they are covering shorts a little bit right now, Mud Buncher? Can't say for sure, man, but I think this is just a bounce off support, man. I don't think that this is something we got to worry about. Is Matt Kors wearing a headband? I can't tell. Is Matt Kors wearing a headband right now? Gosh, man. Crazy. Jimmy following the same chart. Yeah, they're both ripping together right now. 47. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Let's just go to 50. Like, why are you guys even waiting? Let's just go to 50 right now and make this thing happen. What are you doing? Where's 50? 50's not that far away. Let's get back in the 50s. Here's 50.01. Oops, we need a big one. Yeah. Let's just go to 50. We got a duck headband on. Nice. This lucky duck headband. Gotcha, Natalie. I'm over here like, my screen is so blurry on this tablet. I don't know if it's because of the Wi-Fi or what's going on with it. It's a Karate Kid bandana. It might be. But it looks like he's blurry down in the corner and I can't really see him. So it looks like that he looked like he was wearing a headband. And he wears duck suspenders also. I think they were gifts sent from viewers. Nice. I like Matt Kors because he not take 3-hour lunch. Only love, bro. Mad Medic! No, dude, listen. 3-hour lunch. You guys need a break, too. Come on. You know you need a break. If you sit here all day watching this thing, you're going to go insane. We're going to go 50 before I even hit lunch break. I know we will. I know we are. Gotta go. My company is having a training on how to dispute invoices from my company to myself to approve. See everyone this afternoon. Let's stay green! Brett, have a wonderful afternoon, man. We will definitely see you at 3 o'clock. Thanks for stopping in this morning. And eat a quesadilla for lunch for me, man, please. Clay, are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Hey, woo! We are not there yet, but we are on our way. Aria, Ape Strong, oh yes, Ricardo, let's go. Diamond Hands, baby! Absolutely, Aria, I like it. Gonna go, Brother Man Ben is gonna go do something and get some green candles, and I'll be back for good. Bye now. All right, Brother Man Ben, enjoy your afternoon. Yes, get those green candles. Have some fun with that. And we will see you at 3 o'clock. We will likely be breaking for lunch here in 2 minutes because I know for a fact if we leave, you know what AMC is going to do the moment we leave? It's going to go up and it's going to break that $50 line. That's what it's going to do. I should just leave the stream up so you guys can watch the chart and watch the Chipmunk all day. No, I shouldn't do that because what happens if I go sit in my backyard? Like I walk out there and I'm not wearing, I just got my flip-flops on and I walk right in front of that camera. And then you guys are like, oh my goodness, Clay's foot. I'm from Texas, but you live in Florida, Luca. Yes, have an awesome day, buddy. See you in the PM. Had the weirdest dream last night. Saw Clay pop his socks off and had a little piggy wiggle. Ernie, that's what I'm saying, man. It might happen. Sold at $41 and lost $1,300 and bought it in at $44. Yanni. Ah, come on, man. That sucks. Make sure to pour yourself a cup of coffee. Do it, man. Do it. Pour yourself a cup of coffee. I've already poured mine and got it. What a waste. What a waste, Yanni. I feel bad for the people who sold. Hope we stay strong this time. Please stay strong, guys. I've been to Texas. CJS has been everywhere. I have never been to Texas. Luca, I know you told me last time. Hopefully you've learned your lesson from that, from being a, well, Matt, I don't know. Shh, don't be causing trouble now. I will call Mom. I'm telling you guys. I will call Mom if people start getting angry. Out! XOXO. Rocket is out. We will be breaking for lunch here soon, guys. It's just going to happen. Maybe I'll go watch Matt Kors or somebody else, or maybe Galactic Finance and try to steal all his viewers or something like that. You know, don't hate me. It needs to happen. It's all right. Hey, Clay. Mission Sean and C. Mission? Something like that. Message? and see where he's from. He's on your member. Joseph. I don't think I can just message him and see where he's from, man. But he's always in here, so you'll be able to ask him the next time he's in here. Sell your paper hand, that's just a fact. Well, true. But I don't know. Just don't me. Let them little piggies wiggle. Oh, Erica is in the chat. Oh boy. Hey Clay, when are you gonna show me your house? Juan, I'm afraid to show you my house, dude. I'm afraid to show you my house. I feel like you might come over and try to be in my house. Alright guys, here's the deal. Noon o'clock right now. It is noon o'clock. So we're going to break for lunch. I know you guys need a break. Go see some of these other guys. Go tell them what's up. And yeah, let's go hit up Galactic Finance's channel and see if we can get some of those viewers to come over in the afternoon. Does he stream all day long? We'll go ask. I'm going to go ask him. I might make some lunch though. I am kind of hungry, so maybe quesadilla today. And then I'm going to jump in his chat. And he's beating the squeeze. Probably not, Yanni. I don't think this is beginning. I think this is just a nice pop-off support. Good stream. Thank you very much, SK. We will be back in the afternoon. Guys, you know by now, use the link in the description below for Webull. Only $5 in July. You deposit $5, you get the free stocks. So even if you don't really want a Webull account, it's a good time to get those free stocks because you don't have to make a big deposit. So use that down there. Click on all the links in the description below. Good stuff. Make sure to come back at 3 o'clock because you will probably not get a notification. 9 a.m. here, just starting. Caesar, it is very bright and early for you, man. Already noon here. Time for lunch. Have a wonderful day. Cookie, you as well. Please have a wonderful day. Jan is not beginning deer. Yes, not beginning deer. Maybe underestimates the apes. Apes will teach him a lesson. Oh, yes, probably he wears a duck headband sometimes. Send him sometimes. Wow, Teresa, that was a while ago that I was talking about the headband, so I don't know if you were lagging or what, but we are getting out of here right now, guys. So, click the like button if you haven't clicked the like button already, and if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.